so long now? Please give her food, she's running late.
This is not what I asked for.
Really?
This is not my breakfast, right?
Yes. Madam said I should suspend any breakfast and make this for her.
God.
Who is the madam? Who is the person?
Answer. Who is madam?
My other girlfriend, wife to be.
And you are a fool. She asked you to suspend my breakfast and make hers. And you agreed as the fool that you are. Right?
Well, meaning that your mother will be the one to make your breakfast for you henceforth, you little brat.
My dear, it's obvious you're a troublemaker. And let me tell you, you are in the wrong house.
No,
Do you hear me?
No,
Do you hear me?
Mama, she's in the right house because I am ready for you. I am ready for you.
You are ready for who, you little swine? Let me tell you something. You know, your days in this house are numbered.
You witch! Now listen, this is my brother's house. And you will never come in here to cause trouble between us. Do you hear me? Do you?
I would even advise you now to leave now that you can still leave. Because if I put mouth in your matter, it's not going to be calm. You are going to cry blood. Trust me.
Well, I do not blame you primitive fools. I blame my fiancé, Stanley, for letting you both stay in this house. Like I said earlier on, your days are numbered.
Now, if there is anyone to leave this house, you are the one. And trust me, you will leave very soon. I'll make sure of that.
You see something, Afoma? You just dey run your mouth, chon chon chon. Don't let me break my Try to see who I am. Try
that one place.
Shut your mouth. Get lost. I'm back to you. Hey! Stop that rubbish.
I am still here. And let this be the first and the last you raise your filthy hands. My girl, don't you ever try it again. And by the way, who made you his fiancé? Oh. Where is your ring? Where is your ring?
Good. I can see you can't get up.
You can leave now. Leave. Just get out.
Just go. Who made you his fiancé?
Honey.
Look at this one.
Hey!
Fiancé.
Yeah, I'm eating this up. This is so above. This is my
You are running late. Eat.
It's harder finding perfect one.
I called this meeting because of the disturbing complaints I got from my wife-to-be.
But honey, I told you not to bother.
Why won't I bother? I mean, this is my house. I do not want anyone to bring troubles to me.
Stanley, if there is anyone causing trouble in this house, it's this disrespectful thing you brought into this house.
Sister, stop that. Stop it! I won't have you use such words to describe my wife-to-be. Stop it!
But she's disrespectful. She's a troublemaker.
My family, shut up! I said shut up! How dare you talk when I'm still talking? Are you mad?
Afoma, Jironugi, close your mouth.
I won't have this. Alright? I will not have this. If it has gotten to the point where you cannot respect me or respect my woman-to-be, then you can as well.
Then what? Leave your house, isn't it? No, say it! Stanley, you are now talking to me. Adam Negi. Anyhow now, right? Hey! Stanley, no problem.
I don't expect this from you.
I don't blame you, Stanley.
I do not expect this from you. I don't expect you to bring this unity to this family.
Stanley,
I don't expect this from you.
talk to me like this. Hey!
And she's pretending.
Stanley!
She's pretending.
Who is in charge now? Delilah. Oh! Afoma, Stanley, my brother, talks to me anyhow now. Hey!
What do you want me to do? Why are you telling me? You shut me up here just now and you are complaining to me. Why are you telling
Stop!
me? You stop, girl. Stop.
Hey!
Thank you. Wow. Look at this.
Stanley.
This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is so fine. Just come on, show me. Are you serious? Thank you. Are you fighting?
Java, open the boot.
See, it's good. Come on, see, good. See this one. See your picture, to everywhere is fine.
Wow. Oh my God. Sister?
Yes.
You did all this for me?
Yes.
Oh my God. This is so beautiful. This is so fine.
I told you you can always count on me, Adanegi. I deliver it to your hunters, didn't I?
Of course you did.
Yes.
Of course you did. The house is so beautiful. Oh my God, sister, thank you so much for going through all this stress for me.
Why are you thanking me? I did what a caring sister would do for her brother.
Not every sister will go through all this stress for her. You know what it means coming to the site every time, every day, you're always here sending me updates, telling me what is going on. With all those crazy people in the site. God.
I said my brother's money cannot be in vain. Remember you told me how you suffered half day in America to make money. So I said, I must manage everything you sent for me so that I'll give you something befitting, and I'm glad you like it.
Sister, I don't like it. I love it. I mean, everywhere is so fine now. Why would I love it?
Yes. Let's go and give you food.
But look at smaller form of yesterday. Yeah.
Don't mind her. Don't mind this one that likes food. Everything food.
This your sister is stressing me. Just give me wahala.
Everyone shut up. Hey,
sister, please just make sure you don't stress her for me, please.
Don't mind her. I'm happy you like it.
Come and give me a tour around. Come and show me around.
Come on, see your room. Yes.
Oh my God.
I'm happy you like it.
This was so nice.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it.
Sister, you've always been the best chef ever.
Thank you.
Sure, sister. I intend to spend more time in Nigeria now.
Okay.
You know, before I travel back to America.
Wow. I'm so happy, and that's beautiful. But in that case, you should find yourself a wife.
That's also part of my plan. Because I want to have a Nigerian wife.
That's good.
Those white people are crazy.
My brother. That's good.
Me, I don't like the decision. I don't like it. I even thought you've gotten yourself a lady out there.
Afama.
Why Nigeria ladies?
Afama, eat your food and stop putting your mouth in adult stuff.
Sister, let her contribute.
No, Stanley.
She's my niece.
She's still a kid.
No, I don't.
Does she know about love?
This is actually like shutting me up anytime I want to say something. I know why I'm saying it now. I know why.
Alright, why?
Afama, shut up. Shut up and eat your food.
Because all of them are crazy as well. All of them. Nobody wants love. What they want is money. Already made money. They are crazy. They want your eyes.
What do you know about love?
What do I know about love? I know about love now.
Ufoma, you're very funny. Very, very funny.
I know what I'm saying it.
Stanley, don't mind now. Don't listen to her.
Just tell me right now. Ufoma, don't worry. We'll take our time so you lecture me more about Nigerian women.
No problem.
Alright? For now, let's eat. Okay?
Ginger. So she shut up her mouth.
Hey, what's up, bro? I just keep back to Nigeria now. I swear to God, bro. Where are you? Alright, man, I'll meet up with you soon. Alright. Big guy. Alright, bye, man.
Namo,
Sister.
I just prepared delicious abacha for you and I also brought fresh palm wine for you.
Sister. What would I have done without a sister like you? Thank you for everything you've been doing. Thank you for everything you've done. I'm truly grateful.
I still have other local delicacies that I will use in spoiling you. You must get fat by force.
Already fat. It's alright. Not to worry. I have somewhere to go to right now. But as soon as I'm back, I would enjoy the abacha you made because it's been long.
Stanley, why not rest? You just got back.
Sister, I need to go and see him. He's my guy. Come on. Yeah?
Stanley, just be careful.
I will.
You know, no one really loves anybody these days. Be cool.
Don't worry, I'll be very careful.
Just be careful.
Yes.
Okay, so I should tell you.
Okay, no problem.
Stanley, man, no. Hey.
Bro, nah, forget to America, they're good for your opportunities.
Thanks, man.
Oh, boy. Hey, they enjoy you.
Thanks, bro.
Welcome. Ah, anything she has, they really stop by the drink bottle water for America.
This guy. Is that not your ticket? Huh?
Now she now.
Are you serious?
That was just girl with on wire. Everybody's on time for her.
Hold on, bro. Is she married now?
Marry fire. Who go marry this guy? We wait there, I don't go marry her. You go there. Now they go tell the girls we go on board now. We go enter club. Leave this girl, leave her. No, nothing there. Nothing. Let me go tell you. Eh? So calm down. No go enter club. I like you better girls.
I hope you know I came back to Nigeria to get a wife.
Okay, now wife you come marry. You don't even tell me because that Jakube is the look. So we wait there here, we know see her. We wait there with them, we avoid them. You will come one go there with them. Leave her, nothing there. We don't see her finish. See, me say wait there here, say if I tell you how I don't take wire, you know. Stanley. Nah, this guy said no get left low, just come village. First person where you see that Jakube with all of us, that even we didn't even go greet them. Nah, it's an American boy.
It's harder finding perfect one. True love is harder finding true love. True love is harder finding true love.
Hello, Agnes. How are you? Okay. Please, that's your daughter Ife Buche. Is she still around? Okay, fine. And my brother just came back from America in search of a wife. Yes, the one we live in his house. So can you please send Ife Buche, your daughter, to come and try her luck? Yes, don't worry. I will talk to my brother. Let's put everything in the hands of God. Huh? Okay. Till she comes in. Okay. Bye. Okay.
It's been like 7 8 years since you left?
It's actually 8 years since you left me. You left me, not me, Stanley.
It was you who said you wanted to get a husband who was ready to get married to you. Not me, I never left.
Anyways, it's good to see you. You're not looking bad.
Thank you. Likewise, you look really nice.
My dear, forget the look so. Life has shown me shaggy. Like, I've seen a lot. I have seen a lot.
It's not showing on you anyways. You know, I was actually there with my friend Agozi, and then I saw you. I thought to come say hi.
That snitch. I don't like him.
He's a snitch?
You don't know anything about him, I guess.
Anyway, let's forget about that. So, how have you been? How has life been in general?
I've been here, I've been there, life dealing with me in its own ways. Nothing much.
Chekube. How far? Study how far?
I guess we were actually about to go grab something together. Maybe I'll talk to you some other time, alright?
Grab?
Yeah, grab, huh?
With her?
Yes, both of us. See you, man.
You want to go grab something? Stanley?
Yep.
Stanley? Your eyes. Open your eyes. You come village. They go grab Chekube. Chekube. What are Chekube? All of us don't wire finish. Hello, Alpha. That your property will tell me I don't get purpose. No, I get clients who go buy them. Nah. Shebi still there.
It's harder finding perfect one. True love. It's harder finding true love. It's harder finding true love. It's harder for you to get the full volume of joy.
You're welcome to my humble abode.
Papa, you own this place?
Yes. All thanks to my sister. She made this possible.
This is massive. Congratulations there.
Thank you very much. Come, let's go meet my sister.
Are you sure about that? Do you think when I'm wearing it's okay to go see her?
Of course. It's fine.
Are you sure?
What do you want to wear before? You want to tie a wrapper? Please, let's go. Sister, I'd like you to meet Chekube here. We went to school together back in the days. Chekube, meet my sister Oguchi.
It's nice to meet you, Mom. No. Let's have a moment, please. Follow me. Let's have a moment.
I'll be right back. Okay? I'm coming. So what is it then?
Stanley, what do you think you are doing? Who is she?
I told you she's my old-time friend from school days.
God, Stanley, I hope you are not planning having anything to do with her.
What if I'm planning to have something to do with her? Is that why you dragged me out like this?
Stanley, listen, I just called my friend's daughter that is well behaved and she's on her way coming here.
To do what?
Stanley, you know what I'm talking about.
Sister, please, I'd never asked you to help me look for a wife. I'm a man. I know exactly what I want in a woman and I'm going to find my wife.
Stanley, you need a direction. Otherwise you end up with all this wrong choice of women. Look at the one you came home with, looking like a prostitute.
Sister, please, you don't even know her.
Stanley.
Take time out to know her. I'm sure you have a rethink about
Stanley,
this thing
you don't even need to tell me anything. By their dressing, you know them. These ladies are not what you think they are. Be careful. Open your eyes, Stanley.
Stop. I need to get back to her ASAP.
Stanley!
Stop this thing.
Stanley, this...
doing?
She's a thief.
Who's a thief?
What?
She.
No. I was...
She wanted to steal your phone.
No. I was just admiring the place. I was checking it out. Then I saw the phone. I was admiring the phone. That's all. I'm not trying to steal it.
What? What is wrong with you, for God's sake? Huh? What's wrong with you?
She wanted to take the phone.
You shut up. You're beginning to get on my nerves, oh. I apologize to her right now.
Sorry, oh. But we don't allow stealing in this house, oh.
My friend, take this in.
Yay.
Every time she'll be running her mouth. Heidi, I'm so sorry for the embarrassment, okay? Sorry, let's go back upstairs.
Okay.
You have not phone that you have been with since.
So sorry about that. She's embarrassed.
Hey.
Take the phone. She wanted to put the side bag and I saw her. Notice she saw me, she not drop it.
I hope you're comfortable.
Somehow. Well, you shouldn't be keeping such kind of people around you.
Well, the same people you're talking about are the people who built this house for me. Huh?
I believe they've done what you paid them for. They should leave. Imagine the hostility.
I'm sorry about what happened. Alright? I'm sorry.
Anyways, you have a nice house. Your bedroom is beautiful.
Thank you very much. All thanks to them. So what do I offer you? I think I know exactly. I'll be right back.
Okay, it's okay.
It's harder finding perfect one. It's harder finding true love. It's harder finding true love.
Stanley, did you just take a stranger to your room and left her there?
No, I just came to get glass cups. I don't have time for that.
Stanley, be careful. These girls are not really what they claim to be. Be careful, Stanley! Save my own. Ha! Stanley.
I am very, very sure of what I saw. That lady almost took that phone. If I hadn't come out on time, she would have gone with that phone and nobody would know. Nobody at all. You won't even suspect anything.
And your uncle thinks you're lying.
And you know I'm not lying.
I know!
No, I'm not lying.
I know everything, my daughter. I know. You don't need to tell me. I've seen everything in that girl's eyes. And she can't deny it.
But we really need to do something. We really need to do something because brother like this now, he has entered trap. And we need to save him.
My dear, just leave her alone for now. Let's watch her closely. And besides, I don't want you to start having issues with your uncle. Remember, he's the one I'm hoping will start taking care of your education and everything. So for now, my daughter, let peace reign. Please.
It's harder finding perfect one. It's harder finding true love. It's harder finding true love. It's harder for you to get the full volume of joy.
Where is she?
In the
Where is she?
morning.
Where is she? Where's my woman?
Nna, what is going on? Is this your good morning?
I don't have time for this. Where is my woman now? I can't find her. I can't find her bags.
What are you talking about? She's with you in the bedroom, of course.
She's not there. Her bags are not there.
Maybe she has realized that she's not needed in this house. She now left.
Will you stop that nonsense?
We just woke up from our bed this morning. We came out here to pray. I didn't see her leave.
But you know, I told you now. Once they come in and notice that there's no space to steal, they will leave. I've heard stories though.
Shut up! Shut up!
Stanley, talking of stealing, you better enter inside your house and check if your things are still complete.
No, she can't steal from me. She's not a thief. I've known her for a very long time now.
When you were in Nigeria, not when you are not here.
Nah,
so go and check.
Nigeria don't hear eyes though. Everybody for Nigeria now, the eyes they red. This is not the way you left it before. If you maybe go now.
Go and check. Oh.
My God. Why have you forsaken me? Why are you so far from helping me?
Hey.
In the word of your glory.
Jesus.
Amen.
Amen. Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, my Lord.
Are you trying to tell me you didn't know when a full-fledged human being passed this gate without your consent?
Oga, now you don't know me. Now you don't know me. I don't do this compound from the scratch of this compound. So I know if you lose guard. Nobody enter inside this compound last night. Unless say maybe she pass fence or she disappear. But as I dey like this, so I dey active. I know they lose guard. To the extent say see how they will keep my key. Oga, I don't lose guard my key. Oh. Hey.
Do you know you're very stupid now? You're very, very foolish.
Hey, Oga, I beg now. See, you know God, pay me, Oga, beg.
I said you were fired! Alright? You're fired! And I mean it! Can you imagine this idiot? He was sleeping when that thief I brought into the house stole his keys from wherever he kept them and left this gate. Listen to me. You are fired. I do not want to meet you in this compound again.
Oga, temper justice with mercy, Oga. Temper justice with mercy, Oga. Madam, you don't understand. You get the way that sleep they come.
Don't worry. Stop panicking. You still have your job. What? That was so careless of you, sleeping on duty. Who does that?
No, madam, you get the way that sleep they come last night. Thank you, ma'am.
It's harder finding perfect one. True love is harder finding true love is harder.
Bro, leave this thing. You know, when I've been to tell you, you thought I was joking. You were even obsessed with me. You even thought I was trying to disconnect you from your ex. Now you see the trouble you've caused yourself. You would never listen. You're just too stubborn to listen to me.
I'm just disappointed. For someone I've known all this well.
That reminds me. Were you able to block your ATM and your phone line?
She successfully withdrew some money from the account before I noticed and stopped it. But the money is not my problem. My problem right now is accepting the fact that I lost her.
That money is not my problem now. Because I want you. If you say you give me that money now, I say, okay, take this money, go flex. I for just be happy. I'm just there happy. You leave one nonsense girl and they carry money. That one not my problem. I beg, forget about that girl. You get something I want to tell you. There's this property I need you to see. You don't like it, just me. Find property in a good environment.
I'm not in the mood.
Leave that thing, calm down. I'm not go see. Let me see her first. When we see her, you go see her. You go like her. Let me show you. Oh, good.
It's harder finding perfect one. True love is harder finding true love. True love is harder finding true love. True love is harder for you to get the full volume of joy. You must have someone to divide it with.
Calabar? You won't be a fan. Yes, calm down. The guy they come. Stanley, these are my friends. Yes, these are my friends. This is the one that is in charge of this place. He's the owner. He wants to sell it.
He's the friend you told me about.
Yes.
Well, you can see the building.
Yes.
Everything is intact. A lot of parking space. There's underground inside.
He has underground. Yes.
He has underground.
Don't open that place now. Yes.
No, don't worry. When he's ready, you can go in and check.
Like if you want to, like from here now, you come and see. From here and see the. You know, once you pay now, they'll just open this thing. This is for blockage.
This is the entrance.
For blockage.
If you look from there, you see the gate there.
Even from here now, if you come here, you will see the underground. We have trucks parked inside, in case.
No. Take your time. You can go in and inspect.
And he has a parking space.
Inside underground. Underground.
Parking space.
Big one. You need it to.
It's a distress cell actually.
Yeah.
Just,
he has a problem.
if you delay, somebody is already waiting.
This boy is very distressed.
Somebody is waiting.
He has family issues. That's why he wants to sell.
What exactly are we doing here, please?
No, this is the place. Like you see this up now. The way this up is. If you seal it, you can park the
I
helicopter
told you
there.
I'm not interested in any property right now.
This is what you need. See, this place is very cheap.
I don't need it. We need to leave here now.
The owner is in distress. He has a problem.
I said we need to leave. Are you deaf? I'm leaving.
Yeah.
Somebody don't collect account number. Yeah, what's up?
Yeah.
Finding perfect one. True love is harder finding true love. True love is harder finding true love. True love is harder for you to get the full volume of joy. You must have someone to divide it with.
I don't understand what's going on. I mean, these days I keep getting disappointed by people I trust so much. What's going on?
Stanley, this is what I've been telling you, but you don't believe me. Naija is no longer Naija you left years ago. Everybody awago anya, so you just need to be careful. That's all.
You know that if I say anything, it look like I'm saying rubbish. I don't think you owe me an apology, Uncle. Yes. For now. Yes, now. For doubting when I told you, don't trust anybody. Especially that criminal girl. Now see.
The truth is your boldness is just out of this world. Sometimes I wonder if it's the same small former of yesterday that talks to me with so much boldness. It's scary.
Now you can see. Now you can see what I've been going through ever since her father died. She now claims to be so wise and even protecting me more than my late husband.
What you have been going through, I see you are suffering from my hand. And I claim. You will never admit that I'm wise. I am claiming
sorry,
it.
You are wise. Sorry.
African parents, you people, I claim. Admit that I'm wise.
Okay,
I'm
good.
good.
You are wise.
But if anything I say, don't it just happen.
It is.
Don't it happen.
Maybe then I'll have to hire you as my personal advisor, you know.
Exactly.
No, I guess I look it. But if I advise you finish, you do the one in your mind.
Hey. Wahala.
Who be that?
It's me, oh.
It's you be who? Huh? Why you dey not get like say you get problem with the gate? Who be Who be this? Come inside. Thank you. Wait. Hey, stay. Thank you. Come. Hey. Who you dey find?
My auntie.
For here? Wetin be the name of your auntie?
Mrs. Ugochi.
Mr. and Mrs. Ugochi. She know say you dey come?
Yes.
Where you from? Where you dey come from?
From the village.
From the village? Village? Okay, look at that. You look like one. So for your village, na not sabi put load for inside bag. You go na banana be na plantain. You dey chop am as you dey come?
No, I bring am for them.
Okay, you bring am for them. Okay, wait here. May I go inside go tell madam say person dey find am.
Okay.
You see where you dey so? If one of your leg move, dog will bite you. Madam! Madam!
Hey, auntie. Hey. Come help her. Hey. Auntie. Hey. Good afternoon. You are welcome.
Thank you.
Hey. I hope you didn't find it difficult locating this place.
Hey. Not at all.
I can see your hands are full.
Hey. It's my mother. She said she give you this thing.
Hey, Agnes. She shouldn't have bothered. Hey, how is she served?
She's very fine, ma.
Hey. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
This house is very beautiful.
I know. Hey. Don't worry. It's
like
inside.
Hey.
Hey. Oh yeah. Help her with this. Help her with this and enter inside.
Inside.
Yeah.
It's harder finding perfect one. True love is harder. Finding true love is harder. Finding true love is harder. For you to get the full volume of joy, you must have someone to divide it with. Great chance may not happen right away, but with effort, even the difficulty may become easy, my dear. Oh yeah. Ikebolo lover, don't be blind, cause pretenders not them. Ikebolo lover, don't be blind, cause pretenders not them. Ikebolo lover, don't be blind.
This smell entered my mouth.
My friend, will you keep quiet?
I almost swallowed it. Hey, am I okay with this smell?
Don't mind my daughter. She can be naughty at times, yeah?
But what is smelling?
Your body odor.
Hey!
Your body odor is becoming too strong. It's choking me. It's choking me.
Mama, will you eat your food or
I'm not
not?
eating my food here. I'd rather go up.
Hey!
You want chocolate to death.
Don't mind her. What? Have you taken your bath?
I bathed before coming.
But you're already sweating, huh? Look at now. You need to take your bath again, eh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Should I go and do that now?
No, don't worry. After eating, you can do that, yeah?
Hey, pure gold.
Agozie, we are respecting you. No, for real. I just stay quiet saying that you. Because if not be you, I don't know why that your friend. I been there because of his size. He didn't say we know if he handle him. Guy, na you. I just dey calm because say na you. If no be the respect, he go hear him.
Wait now, calm down. I dey think
I try to arrange something. Calm down. Yeah? Relax.
Wait. I thought the plan was to collect money from him.
Bros, what's the worry? I say, you calm down. Relax now. I see the reason something. I think calm down.
How is it going to be possible? When he's not buying what we asked him to buy?
Nah, this guy safe. And now they hear something. They're not gonna calm down.
They talk. You still they say calm down. Calm down till when? See what happen?
I wonder.
See, money don't they involve, and when I see money, my body know they settle. See, if not to pick him up, I will go kidnap him. This money must come out. He don't come out, he must come out.
Money must come out now.
Bring the deal.
It no matter, you bring the deal. We are grateful say you
bring
bring
the deal.
See, we are grateful say you bring deal. But for this one, no way. Money, we don't see say money day. It's obvious say money day.
Money day.
So he must.
Calm down. Let me bring deal.
Now, no, they tell me to
Let
calm
me
down.
bring deal.
No, they tell me to calm down.
I go reason them. Then I go fix them. Then we go now so we take run.
Anything where you want to do, I'm sharp.
Do am now.
You dey jump too much.
Now, guys, money they involved. Now, if money they involved, you want me to sleep?
You go spoil this thing as you dey
Make
jump
I
like this.
spoil am. I go no say na me spoil am. No be say you know one for me time. You dey bring work, I dey respect am. But this one will go chop this money.
Ifebuche, I believe you know why you are here.
Yes, my mama told me.
No, I don't think so. I don't think you really listened to your mom, or understood all the whole thing. You are here because my brother needs a wife. And if you impress him very well, don't be surprised. You might end up being his wife.
I'll try my best, ma.
No, I don't want to hear that. You are here to be convincing enough. Convince my brother to consider you a wife material. Huh? How can you do that with the way you dress? With all this body odor you have? Is it that you don't use deodorant? You don't use deodorant? I mean, roll-on?
No, ma. I don't use it.
No. That means I must get you one. Because I don't want my brother to trouble when he comes closer to you. See, you must smell good, look good all the time. Okay?
Yes, ma.
Then, you see, I will talk to my brother to marry you. But I will not make that decision. I don't promise you that. So you need to convince him to make you his wife.
Okay.
Go in there. Take a thorough bath. Please, let me get you a deodorant.
Okay.
Your mom and I have been friends for so long. So I'll be so happy if our only daughter marries my only brother. So make that happen. Don't mess up this game. Please, don't mess up my plan. Go and get a thorough bath. Let me get you a deodorant, okay?
True love is harder. Finding perfect one. True love is harder. Finding true love is harder. Finding true love.
Afama, Ma, I didn't like the way you treated Ifebuche in there. That's not so nice of you.
Mama, is it that you did not perceive that strong, like that stench oozing out of her body? You did not perceive it?
No matter what, you shouldn't have treated her as if she's infected with one disease or something. That's not good.
Me, I couldn't withstand it. I don't hide my feelings. That's why I left.
No matter what, you shouldn't have treated her like this. Now, let me warn you. Don't ever say this in front of your uncle when he returns. Do you hear me?
Wait. Don't tell me that this is the lady you brought for my uncle to marry.
What's wrong with her?
Of all the ladies in this life, is that big you brought?
Hey!
Mama, it's not, you're not even pitying your brother. It's not
I
good
warned you now. I want you to stop saying all this rubbish before you go and say it in front of your uncle.
The fact that she cannot keep herself clean, the fact that she's so dirty, that one alone turns me off.
Allow him to be the judge. Let him decide. Do you hear me? Don't go and spoil things for me.
Mama, if XA is divided by 5, find the X. Mama, you cannot find X. It's X that chases out of this place. It's not anger. Talk true. You have learned 5X. Yeah, living with anger. Yeah, I know you.
Stanley.
Yes, no.
Do you still remember that my good friend, Agnes?
Agnes? Is it the one from our mama?
Yes, you remember her.
Oh, how about her?
This is her daughter, the only daughter, Ebube.
Oh, her daughter this big?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Agnes got married so early, so that's why she was able to give birth to this well-respected girl here. Ebube, meet my brother Stanley.
Ebube,
sir.
You're welcome to my house.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
She has come to spend some time with us. I hope you wouldn't mind.
Why should I mind? It's a good thing she's here. Especially now we need a help around the house. Huh?
We'll talk about that later.
Yeah.
For now, Ebube, come and sit down.
Okay, ma.
Just come and sit down. Come and sit down. Stanley, what's the meaning of what you just said now?
Is that what I just said? How? I don't understand.
How can you ask me to employ her as a maid, which is not the reason I brought her here?
But you told me she's your friend's daughter. I thought you were planning to employ her as a maid to make the mother happy. Huh?
Stanley, I brought her for you to choose her as a wife. Yes.
You brought her for me to choose as a wife?
Yes, there's nothing wrong. I'm serious, Stanley.
It's obvious you don't even know your brother. You don't know what I like and what I don't like. Please, don't make me laugh. Don't make me laugh.
Stanley, what's so funny about what I'm saying? I'm serious. I brought her for you to choose her as a wife. She's from a good home.
So your brother does not like her? Okay. But didn't I told my mama. I told her that somebody like your brother is all these city girls that he will like. Not somebody like me. But she will say no, that she will come. Now see.
Ebube, will you stop with this your pessimisms? For God's sake, I'm the one that brought you to my brother because I know you are the kind of girl he needs as a wife. What I will not want you to do is to be discouraged. For God's sake, I'm the one that brought you here.
Mama, is it not better you tell her the truth and stop hiding it? Nothing will happen to you if you talk true. Do you know, if you actually say the truth, you will not die. Nothing will happen to you. Tell her that there is no how Uncle will stoop so low to marry a classless village champion, dirty.
Afoma, will you shut up? Shut up! What do you know?
Well, I don't know anything.
Then shut up your mouth. Shut up.
But at least tell her the truth.
Hey.
But you need to tell her she should take her bath. Take your bath and use deodorant. You're not a small girl. I don't need to tell you all these things.
Afoma, if I slap you. If I slap you, my friend, will you leave this place? Get up and leave this place, my
Mama
friend.
don't like you. She does not like you because she's the person that likes you that will tell you the truth. I don't know why you hate the truth. You don't like hearing the truth.
Leave this place, my friend.
Tell her the truth. She will not die. Hey! You wash your body. Wash it. You don't need to wash it again. Wash it. Use iron sponge. Wash it. Let's know if this is your color or if it's dirty. You cannot be black and dirty at the same time.
Hey, this girl.
But auntie, is she not saying the truth?
Ebube, everything will be fine. Use what you have to get what you want. Will I teach you everything? There is nothing more romantic than serving a man breakfast in bed.
I don't understand.
Good. You just woke up, probably preparing to go out for work. So you just go in there with this breakfast. Serve him the breakfast. Put a smile on your face. Don't forget that. Put a smile on your face. Maybe he will have interest in you and give you an audience. Yes.
Okay. I'll go and give him that. I'll do as he said.
Okay, ma. Come back first. You need to smell good. Go and apply your oil. Keep it first. Go! Okay. Go and apply your deodorant. Yes. Come. Hurry up! Ife! God. I hope this works. I believe so. God.
It's harder finding perfect one.
What were you thinking? That you couldn't hold a cup of tea firmly? Huh? Why did your hand suddenly trembling?
I'm sorry, ma. I was just nervous, so...
Nervous? That you couldn't hold a cup of tea tightly? Look at the way you just messed up all my plans.
I don't know why you are bothering yourself, Mama. I don't know why you are still wasting your time. I will keep on telling you this. I know that you don't want to hear it, but I will keep on telling you.
Shut up.
This is the only thing you can say. Shut up, and I will shut up
Then
after
shut
saying
up.
it. Mama, you clearly know that this girl can never fit in. Brother is too advanced for her. She cannot fit in. Leave her to live her life. Live your life according to your level. Don't try to jump to where you know that.
Shut up and mind your business.
Okay, me, I will always tell you the truth. I will tell you the truth. Start planning for your life. Because now, before you start planning to get married now, maybe that time all the children in your womb will disappear. All of them, they will just die.
Shut up.
Because they have passed their time of coming out.
Shut up, oh.
If you like, listen to me. If you like, listen to Mama. Because you are always listening to deceivers. They will deceive you and use you. Your body will tell you.
You see what it cost? I've seen rich men getting married to your type. What you just need to do is just to be confident. You just need to be smart. And my brother will love you. Stop panicking. God! Stop messing up things for me. Look at your front. Look at your back. You are in full package. Use what you have to get what you want and stop messing up things for me. Please. You can go. God. Just a cup of tea you can't hold.
It's harder finding perfect one. It's harder finding true love. It's harder finding true love.
Bro, what's up now? Why are you not smiling? What's up?
I'm not happy with you. I don't like what you did the last night. And if not that we're friends and we've come a long way, I would have ended this friendship. But at the same time, I deserve an apology.
Of course. Sorry. Honestly, I didn't know that you wouldn't like the place. I don't know say you no go like it. No vex. Sorry. Sorry now. No vex. Sorry. No.
It's alright. You won't believe what my sister did.
Your sister. The one that built the house for you?
Yes. She brought a girl from the village for me to marry. Can you imagine that?
So what are you going to do now?
What else am I supposed to do? If not ignore them until she sends her back. It's crazy, man. Trust me. I just can't wait to get married so that all of this stress will be over. What?
The one that sister brought for you, look. I can't know say the one where you go find you go good past the one that sister bring for you. That's the problem.
Are you drunk?
Hello.
Welcome, sir. Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
What are you doing here?
Arranging your room.
Please leave right now.
Okay, sir. Welcome, sir.
I said leave. Leave right now.
Okay, sir.
Good.
Welcome, sir.
It's harder. Finding perfect one. True love is harder. Finding true love is harder. Finding true love is harder. For you to get the full volume of joy, you must have someone to divide it with.
So do you need anything?
I'm fine. What's your name again?
Ifebuchi, sir.
Ifebuchi. Thank you. I'm fine.
Okay. Yes, sir. You're welcome, sir.
True love is harder. Finding perfect one. True love is harder. Finding true love is harder. Finding true love is harder. For you to get the full volume of joy, you must have someone to divide it with. Great chance may not happen right away, but with effort, even the difficulty may become easy, my dear. Oh yeah.
What are you doing here?
I've given the food and he's eating it.
And so? So what have you come here to do? That's what I'm asking you.
I don't understand, ma.
Hey, Fibuche, are you not supposed to be by his side while he's eating? At least he would have told you to come and eat with him.
Okay, I will go and do that now.
Come back here. Go and take a plate of food and go there and meet him. Shit! We'll teach you everything.
It's harder. Finding perfect one. True love is harder. Finding true love is harder. Finding true love is harder. For you to get the full volume of joy, you must have someone to divide it with. Great chance may not happen right away, but with effort, even the difficulty may become easy, my dear. Oh yeah. Don't be blind, cause pretenders not them they do the worst. Don't be blind, cause pretenders not them they do the worst. Don't be blind, cause pretenders not them they do the worst. Don't be blind, cause pretenders not them they do the worst. Don't forget that you will never find the right person.
Please, ma. Please. I'm begging you, please.
Fibuche, please go. I think it's best I start calling your mom so that you can leave my house. You're not serious.
Ma, please. I'll be serious now. Please, just give me one last chance.
Don't beg me, please. Just go. Leave my house already. Let me look for someone that is serious. What is it? Small single thing you can't do.
I will do it now.
Are you not a woman?
I'm a woman. I will do it. Please, just this one last chance, ma. Please.
Ma. Last chance.
Last chance, ma.
Last chance, else you leave my house.
Yes, ma. Last chance. The last chance.
Is it?
You know I love your brother, eh? Please, just give me.
You love my brother?
Yes.
But you cannot make my brother to feel you. Are you not a woman?
I'm a woman. I will make him to feel me.
Please go.
Please,
one
ma.
chance.
Yes.
Just one last chance, else you are gone.
Yes,
you leave my house.
Yes, ma. One last chance.
Go.
Last chance.
I said go. Is it? I said go.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma.
Don't thank me. It's your business.
love, is harder. Finding perfect one, is harder. Finding true love, is harder. Finding true love, is harder. For you to get the full volume of joy, you must have someone to divide it with.
Are you mad? No, are you mad? Have you lost it? What are you doing here? Eh? Are you sick in the head? What are you doing here? What are you going to tell me? If my uncle sees you here now, what explanation do you have? What are you going to tell him? You buffon.
You don't have to insult me.
Come on, shut up your mouth there. Smelling thing. Look at the way she is. Pig. So you want to pollute this place with this your smelling self? Eh? You want this place to start smelling like your dirty body? Does this place look like your room? Is this your room?
I was just ranging, and then I slept off.
You slept off. You slept off. Like this is your palace, your father's house. You slept off, and you were so comfortable to sleep off. Go and get me my food. Before you touch anything in that kitchen, make sure you talk. Make sure you scrub your body, you wash your body thoroughly before you touch my food.
No problem.
It's harder. Finding perfect one, is harder. Finding true love, is harder. Finding true love.
Taking me to now.
Calm down.
What is it?
Listen to me. Are you seeing this man there?
Uh-huh.
You're seeing him, right? Mm-hmm. You know who he is?
Of course, you know.
Mm-hmm. From all the information I've gathered, this guy is still single and he's ready to mingle.
How is that my business? What?
How is that your business? Is that if you are really sure you want to still remain in this house, that you want to be in this house, you have to beg this young man there to marry you. It's either he marries you or you beg my brother to employ you as housemaid. Yeah? Because if it's for marriage, if you still have in mind that you want to marry, my sister, I'm so sorry to disappoint you because it's not work. It's never going to work, not when I'm alive. Because you, if you look at yourself, you gonna say you too, you are not your spec. So you cannot wish yourself to my brother. Yeah?
It is very, very obvious that you don't like me, Afoma. It is obvious that you don't like me. It's okay. No problem. Don't call me for this kind of nonsense again. Don't call me for this kind of nonsense.
What I'm trying to are you shouting at me? Come back here and I'm trying to help you. See, this is work, oh. So when I'm trying to level up, I'm trying to just make you a better person, a better woman in life. You are misbehaving. Okay, because you are not using deodorant, you think you are not like that smelly thing you used to know. That smelly, that rotten thing we used to know. You think you are no longer smelling because you are using deodorant. Okay.
It's harder. Finding perfect one, is harder. Finding true love.
What are you doing here?
My madam, your sister, she said I should come here.
My sister asked you to come to my room. Why? What happened to your room?
I don't know. She just said I should come to your room and sleep here.
It's harder. Finding perfect one, is harder. Finding true love.
are you doing?
I want to sleep.
Leave my room now. Get up and leave my room. I said get out.
Okay, sir.
Are you dumb? I said get out of my room. That's leave. Hey.
Finding perfect one. Finding true love. Finding true love.
I shouldn't have brought in a local champion for my brother to marry.
Didn't I tell you? I told you now.
Hey God, do you know that girl slept in my brother's room throughout the night? And she couldn't even let my brother, as in, get my brother to sleep with her.
You are the one that is believing this your brother. Because you know that this your brother came back from overseas. There is no how you will be with these village buttocks. You know it's not possible, but you are forcing it. You are forcing the relationship.
So what do I do now?
What you will do is that it's better you just leave them.
I need to get him a wife. I don't want him to make mistakes.
I'm not saying anything again. I said you better leave him to make his choice of wife. Then you can now correct the person or bring the person up to your taste. Allow him.
You say so, but you still need to get him a good person. Or do you want your uncle to end up with the wrong person?
I don't want to continue this matter. If you want to keep
Bro, I'm in big trouble. I'm in a very serious trouble now.
What kind of trouble? What is it?
Those boys that you see, those boys that I showed you when I went there to show you the property, that property I wanted to show you.
Oh, those hoodlums I told you I don't like.
Me too, I don't like them. Do you know that they are threatening me? They're threatening me. They're saying that I brought somebody who is unserious to come and show them property, and that they have lost a valuable customer who was supposed to buy. That I must pay them. And if I don't pay them, they will kill me.
I don't understand.
They are even threatening me. They say
I thought they were friends.
No, they're not my friends. They're not my friends. And those boys are very bad boys. Very bad boys.
What are they now saying?
They're saying that I must give them 2 million naira.
2 million what?
I know it's a big money now, but it's not a big deal for you.
Let's involve the police.
No. Please. Don't involve people. I know that these people are bad boys. If you involve the police, their other gang will go and inform the bigger cartel. They will now come and fight me. They might even come after you. So to them so that they will go, please. Because it's just ordinary 2 million. Ordinary 2 million. It's alright. The 2 million is not even a big money for you.
It's harder finding perfect one. It's harder finding true love. It's harder finding true love. It's harder for you to get the full volume of joy. You must have someone to divide it with. Great chance may not happen right away, but with effort, even the difficulty may become easy, my dear. Oh yeah. Don't be blind, 'cause pretenders not them.
Wow. Alpha. You see what I told you? Class is class. No matter what. No matter how you try to paint it, class is class. There are levels to this shit. You know, right? You see, I told you. It's just as if I'm a prophetess, I mean. You see me? I tell you what I know that will happen. I told you that your class, you don't belong here. You cannot marry that man. That man is not you are not your spec as well. So you cannot expect that man to marry you. So now that it's like this, you're even lucky that you are going on time. Now that it's like this, the gate man is still available. You can still go and meet him, shoot your shot. He might give you green light, you never can tell.
Your mother refused to employ me as a maid.
That's what I'm saying. But she's not even supposed to refuse you as maid because my uncle wanted you as maid. Don't worry, I'll just go and talk to her. But the gate man is still available. Go and be shooting your shot while I go and be begging my mother. Yeah? One of them must work.
Okay, so I should wait for you.
Go and shoot your shot first. Let me go and beg my mother. One of them must work. If this one does not work, this one will work. So go and shoot your shot. You see, you're a good girl. Don't let anybody tell you are a bad girl. It's just that, God, this your dirty something is really affecting your personality and your brain. So just go and meet me. Yeah? From there you will start leveling up. Okay. Let me go and beg inside. Dad, let me go and stand my own up.
Hello, sir. Sir, this is Sandra, the lady you just bought banana from. Yes, sir. Yes, it's my number, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Sir, please save my number. Sandra. Sandra. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Hey! Better fish. Oh, the guy fine. Somebody is all yellow. Sure. I'm on a better cash room. I'll save the number first. Mr. Stanley. Yellow. Hey. See better catch. Hey.
Guys, good news. Good news. It's on this. You go die for smoke.
If you talk good news, talk what it did. I know they like you say
good news.
Give me good news.
Make I talk.
What is salt? Drop on.
Make I talk on first. Make I smoke.
Nah, guy, you know how you get as good news they do me for, but they leave this thing first. Talk am. What is salt?
Talk am.
What is help?
The guy don't pay. I said the guy don't pay. Cash.
Wait. You mean say the money don't drop? Finally, you pay the money.
Hey! You don't tell us that this guy get money like this. Chai!
That's with me.
I'm not mad.
That's with me.
Did they joke? Hey. See how the thing go do. See when I go calm down. Look, we go to Russia. When I calm down. Now me bring them abi. I ain't they pay. Now me bring till abi. Exactly. And they why I bring pay. Exactly. So calm down. More no Russia.
See, you know, money where they come better. You better say money they come than say they go.
They go, yeah.
So as it dey now, we need to find a way. Make the money still they come. You don't come. You suppose they come.
You talk sense.
So, may we go if not to kidnap the guy, if not your auntie, if not your sister. May we just carry somebody, may you pay.
You can't talk with that one. You want fuck up? No, you want mess the whole thing up.
You worry, you guys.
I don't make money now.
We need this money.
I don't make money. See what you go do and calm down. I know say the money they sweet you. See, if you get money, you're not supposed to. You calm down. Make the money they digest.
I never get money before now. I don't know. I never get money before now. I don't know.
No, don't too sure for outside.
Eh, now so who get money they too talk? Make I try. Hey, body they sweet me.
I trust you.
You sabi.
You sabi. You come out, go carry one Hennessy, come for that job.
You sabi.
I dey go. They go now. They go.
Oh boy! Omo the guy no rich oh! Omo this bobo go get money oh! Na definitely rich guy na he be.
Over rich, they worry am.
And it tells you, eh? But now this kind man now you need for your life, my babe. And they tell you the honest truth. Don't be like all those useless idiots who always they walk out, they come here, come and disturb you for no reason. And this kind of person you need for your life. Oh boy, Sika! Sika! Joy!
I never say use your eye to snap the number. Oh yeah, buy something, buy something.
You sure say I'm your sister? Eh? So you don't fight? You don't feel fight?
Them they too.
Them they too. Where them? Where them? Where them? Come on, go on. Come here. Come here. Baby. Oh, get straight now. Because now you don't fall for ground. More they go out.
How my mama take born this boy?
More they go out.
Are you a boy?
They won't. I mean,
No.
sorry. They won't see your eye. I don't know. They wait for eye.
Alright. No, I think one. I want me and.
Come on, they go house.
They go house.
They go house.
They won't come.
They go house. See person where you the friend. Who you the friend? They do where them. Don't. You come meet me, I can't fight for you. Me where be woman.
Mama, please now. Don't chase her. Don't let her go.
Please leave me. She disappointed me.
I know. Because she disappointed me, it does not mean that she will leave.
So what do you want me to do?
Let her in. At least she can be working as our maid. If she does not fit in a marriage, at least she can work for us as housemaid.
Afoma, how do you want me to turn a lady I brought from my brother to marry to a maid? Are you okay?
Mama, she will gladly do it. I know that girl. She's very hardworking and she's ready to work. Even though I don't like her, but she's ready to work. Let me talk true for once. Mama, you check it. If now you then come here, you go sit to go do one or two things. As you come with then I do not tell you that, oh, you don't fit in or you have to go back, will you be happy? At least even if that one not go okay, they will give you another one to balance to make you happy.
It's okay. But I have to call her mom first. To know if she will agree.
Mama, she will agree. Call her mommy now.
Oh, by the way,
she will not go.
Why are you pleading on her behalf? I thought you said you don't like her.
I don't like her, but I have to do mercy for her now. It's not good.
Come on, leave. I know. It's because you're lazy. Don't worry. I'll call her mom. I've decided to send her back to her mother, since it's obvious you're not interested in her.
That's a good idea.
She's begging me to employ her as a maid. Don't know if it's okay.
Sister, you know I don't like stress.
I will not stress you.
It's alright, I'll take her as a maid. So long as she focuses on her job and don't disturb me.
I'll talk to her about it and I believe she will like it. But, Stanley, that's not good, Stanley. You need to settle down. You really need to settle down.
I'm working on that. I didn't tell you I found her already.
What? Who?
My soulmate.
Wow, that's good.
Don't worry, get to meet her soon.
I hope so. Make it fast.
Please, I'm famished. Is there any food in the house?
There is.
Alright, please.
There is. Just go upstairs, freshen up and then come down now.
It's alright, let me just rest a bit here.
No problem.
Just go upstairs.
Take your time.
They don't look.
What's the worry yourself? What's the worry yourself? And about this minute they find trouble. Eh?
You know what's happening? I tell you I did the smoke I see. I don't come tell me say what I get this one.
sister now.
No,
sister,
no,
this is not ready.
no,
I
no,
never want you to
no.
the smoke.
No, no,
Shut up there! I never want you to be the smoke.
Now I don't like you follow talk because no go allow me express myself. I know they like her.
Let's say crazy man.
Which man?
Which useless man?
No matter how small it is, I will appreciate it.
You be man, you be man. Now man you there when they beat
This person that they like to insult me. Even if she's you know me, give me that respect. No matter how small it is, I will appreciate it. I will appreciate it. Don't insult me, every man.
Oh, they go now. You don't cry now.
Not be woman you dey do. Not be woman, like won't be woman. Don't look at your breast. Now your reference on respect, see in chest, be like breast. After now you better say you be man.
No mind now, baby, no mind now, no mind now. I know your voltage, no mind now.
How come you can't say they beat you?
True love is harder. Finding perfect one. True love is harder. Finding true love is harder. Finding true love is harder. For you to get the full volume of joy, you must have someone to divide it with.
I'm glad you finally found your class. You finally understood the real you.
Thank you.
You see? And now it's very good to know who you are and where you belong because it will favor you.
Right.
Now look at you now. Month end, they will pay you your salary. You collect money instead of dragging a husband.
Thank you very much. At least I get to stay in this beautiful house rather than going to the village to suffer. Thank you.
Now, you should just, as you're doing this your work now, I just pray that God will help you bring your class.
Amen.
So that you will marry somebody in your level.
Amen.
While my uncle marries somebody in his level.
Amen.
You see?
Amen.
That is equal. GG. Good. So don't worry, do your work. God will remember you.
Amen.
Very, very soon will remember you.
Amen.
But it's just that you have to bring down your expectations. It's too hard. Bring yourself down so that God will bring you up.
Okay.
Yes. You need to check if you just stay like this, check your account. Check your account balance. You know that, no, I'm not supposed to dream this thing. Look at what I'm supposed to dream. You know how to limit your dreams. Don't expect high things when you know that nothing there your account.
Okay, yeah. I don't know, okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
You don't want anything. So don't expect that high things. Cut down your dream.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey.
You're welcome. Too fast, so you come and clean my room.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Hey.
After you make sure you use that air freshener and
okay.
You know.
Oh. Hey.
After you use that air freshener, make sure you spray everywhere.
Okay.
Perfect one. True love is harder. Finding true love is harder.
See, Onome, I don't want you. I don't want to see you with my brother again. I don't want to see you with him again. You hear me so?
Mama, why they talk like this now? Why you go tell me say you don't want to see me with your brother?
Hey, Shu. Onome, I don't really blame you. Because you fool everywhere now, you big. You say you go fit talk to me anyhow. Oh no, man, leave my brother alone. You're not a bad influence for my brother. Leave him alone. Leave him alone.
How you go talk saying that me be bad influence for where your brother did now? Mama, why they talk like this? Me and you know say your brother no get character. Now he get very bad character. Now me say we be on me. Now me they tell and say do like this, no do like this, do like this, no do like this. But you know they hear me. At the end of the day, go do anything they in mind.
No. Just make the statement where. Don't say my mama no train am where. Don't say he get bad character, say he no get home training. Onome, come up for my store.
Mama beg now.
No say you know they had me, come up for my store. And if I see you with Obina again, I'll break your head.
Mama, I love your brother.
No, we should love, they quarrel you. We should love. Poverty won't kill us. You no get money, you they love my brother. You not go find sugar mommy, make it bring money, call the family. You love my brother, I love that we go shop. You carry nyash for here, they do you love my brother. Money I don't get. My brother supposed to get money or get sugar bomb with money. You carry this sack but concern away. What you love, I love you. Don't let me see for you again, no. Nonsense.
Hello, Sandra. You know who's speaking? You know, I'm glad you saved my number. Huh? I feel like dancing to heaven right now. So where you at? That should be your workplace. Because anything that gives you money is your job. Yeah? I was thinking, why don't we do dinner tomorrow, say 4 p.m.? Yeah. Alright. I'll see you tomorrow by 4. Alright, good. Take care.
Mama, I think we should just get him a wife here in the city. Because it's quite obvious he's finding it difficult to get a wife for himself.
I would still prefer getting him a wife from the village.
You're not even getting it. At all. This is the brother we're talking about. Your brother is a city guy. And you know that he will never condescend to a village champion. Take it or you leave it. It will not work. So you better do the right thing.
Who then do we get for him in the city? You know, I don't want him to end up with the wrong person. I'm so worried about him. He's my late parents' only son. And I don't want him to make mistake in life at all. I don't want that.
You don't need to bother yourself. I can even assist. Yes, I can help. You do your own finding. Why me? I do my own findings.
What do you know about marriage? Biko, focus on your education and let this your eyes of what is bigger than you. Do you hear me? Say Chineke.
You are always underestimating my efforts. But don't worry, one day you'll see what I can do.
See then, but not now. Focus on your education.
Come. Afa, now you have been fine come. I won't come meet you, give me my own share for that thing.
They find me come for which thing, which stuff? What did they talk about? I don't understand. Eh?
You know say hand with the chuku, eye with the look the same. That time when I come Sandra's shop, when I carry and come out, I see you as you move some things. Some, things from the shop. So I can't collect my own share. They hear me back.
I don't understand. Who share? No, who share now? I don't understand. They craze. But if you see me, I steal from Sandra. Steal from Sandra. I don't understand. Shine nonsense talk down now. Just they talk for you.
Again, you be hardened criminal. Now you thief, you see they shout. So you know not saying I may be street queen, I may be on me. I they see everything. You go give me my own share now. I be you won't make I use my 2 fine legs. Waka go me Sandra. After I go be.
You don't fit. You don't fit. Which kind of nonsense dirty talk that one? You don't fit.
Okay, I go make a protest.
Waka they go now. Oga come back here. Person no people play with you. Wait till they walk you. I better come back here.
Afa, you will give me my own share. See, make I tell you. Like this so now 50%. So cash I be transfer, I won't take do.
Kind of dirty talk with that. Which can be 50%? You and who they do 50. Now they calm down.
Sandra,
I don't know the kind eye where you get.
I go tell Sandra.
Carry wishy. I don't know how you take see me. Why I take obtain from Sandra. But you they look now.
I'll say no be 500 you want give me for the money.
Nah, all this one you two they do anyhow. All this one
See, make I tell you, I get evidence against you. As it be so, if you try to do any, I will still tell Sandra. This money will give me no wish to buy my silence. You hear me, Abi?
They crazy.
No one.
You dey craze for head, who go kill you? Ha! Which kind winch be this one? You be winch o. Na you dey see for midnight everything wey dey happen for area. Na you dey see.
Stanley, honestly, I want to say a very big thank you for everything. I don't know how to appreciate you. You have been more than a brother to me, and I truly appreciate you.
You need to stay away from those guys. Because the next time you call me, I won't take your call. Trust me.
Calm down now. Now my niggas be that. When they talk like say one call policeman.
I'm telling you now, stay away from them. I won't warn you again.
Say I want him to do this. Why this man? The guy you there, you know, smile. Woman, I know she's a woman.
Let's not look. Yeah, I'm all set. I just went out to hang out with my friends before some lounge around, we'll say, yeah. Oh, you know the place? Close to your place. Alright, you want me to come pick you up or you come over? Oh, okay. Close to your place. Alright, I'm waiting, eh? I'm waiting. Alright,
Stanley, who did that?
my new coach. Trust me, she's marriageable. I'm thinking of marrying her.
She's marriageable or manageable?
Marriageable.
Marriage.
Yes.
Hey! She's
coming, yeah? Like,
let's see her.
Hey, maid.
Hi.
Who is it? Hi. So, I'd like to meet my friend.
Agosia.
My best friend. And my woman.
Nice to meet you too.
Pleased to meet you, bro. Shake your hand.
Actually, Stanley's my best friend. We share everything. We share everything.
Excuse me, we don't share everything. Alright? Don't mind him. What would you like to have?
Soft. I don't do alcohol.
Who's there?
Find the perfect one.
So, tell me more about yourself.
Well, I'm the only girl in my family. I have a kid brother, only brother. And you already know I run a food stand.
Yeah.
I've been doing that for 7 years.
7 years? That's a long time.
Yeah, very long.
It's a good thing you choose a decent hustle instead of selling your body for money, which is the regular thing these days. It's highly commendable.
Thank you.
I like that.
Thank you. Yeah. So, enough about me. Tell me about you.
There's not much about me apart from the fact that I just came back to Nigeria from the States to settle for you.
Okay, I thought as much because you don't look like someone that stays in Nigeria. I mean,
why?
You're glowing.
Glowing?
Yes.
I thought that was supposed to be a term for women.
No, you are. You smell so good.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I truly appreciate it. So,
it could be important. Why not take that? I'll wait.
That's so thoughtful of you. But don't worry, it's no one important. I'll call him back when I'm done.
Okay. No problem.
So, you don't like the meats? You need to try them. They're so nice.
Okay.
I always come here with my friend.
It's quite big.
Yeah.
Tell it to me.
Who's there?
Find the perfect one. Finding true love is harder. Finding true love is harder.
Welcome. Sister?
Yes, there.
I'd like you to meet Sandra, my babe. Sandra, I'd like you to meet my sister Ugochi and her little baby, Afoma.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Yes, you're welcome to our house. You're welcome.
Hi.
Hi.
Thank you. You know, Stanley said a lot of things about you, good things. And thank you so much for taking care of him.
Thank you for your kind words, eh? Say that again. We're my only brother.
Welcome to our house. I'm so glad that very soon we'll get to know you better, who you are, your real self.
Afoma.
Yes, like who she is.
Afoma.
So what do I have for you, my love?
Stanley, you don't need to ask her. I will tell Ifebuche to prepare something delicious for her.
It's
You
alright.
can trust me on that.
That would be nice.
No problem.
Thank you,
No
ma'am.
problem. Very, very well. Where you are.
Let's go to my room. Huh? I'll be upstairs.
No problem, no problem.
So, this is how I yes. Oh my.
I like this one. She look pretty. Don't you like her?
I like her.
You talk too much. You don't even know her. Huh. Anyway, if you like it or not, I like her. I love this one and I hope she's from a good home.
Already. You love her just like that. You are just seeing her and already you love her. You don't even know her real self. Like this. Now let's not assume that this is who she is. Let's just take it as she's just pretending or covering up. And you're already loving her.
And you know that your statement really annoyed her. Huh? I keep on telling you, stop being rude to strangers. And your uncle is not happy with you. Huh?
Mama, I'm not being rude. I'm just trying to look out for my uncle. I mean, I want him to get a better wife for himself. I'm not being rude.
He did not solicit for your help. Know your boundaries. Eh? By the way, as I said, I love this one. And I'll talk to him about it. Do you hear me?
No problem, just do your thing. Okay.
By the way, have you done your homework?
Let's sit down, I'll do it later.
My friend, will you get up? Go and do your homework, my friend. Madam, help her.
So what do you think about my family?
Well, they are cool people. But do you intend living in the same house with them when you finally settle down?
I'm thinking of sending them to the boys' quarters when I finally settle down. They help me build the house.
Not a bad option. Or better still, you send them back to the village.
No. Far from that. I can't keep them far away from me. I need to keep my eyes on them. They are all I've got. So what's your plan for the rest of the day?
Nothing.
Who's in your shop?
My brother.
I see. I'd like to meet your family.
Oh, sure. But not today. Probably weekend.
Alright, weekend is fine.
No problem.
Good. Okay. Let's
Finding perfect one.
Bro, I swear to God that girl is wild on there. I have never all my life seen a girl that bad. Hey. Okay. Which one is okay? I'm telling you something and all you have to say is okay. Huh?
What do you want me to say? What do you want me to say?
Why are you like this?
I already told you that she's a bad girl. She's a complete ghetto girl. A complete ghetto girl. I told you.
Well, she told me her story. I know she was raised by a single poor mother in the slum and it was very difficult growing up. Right now, she sells fruits to fend for a family.
Bro, listen, I'm not here to talk about her poor background. It's not my business. I just want to tell you something. You need to open your eyes. Open your eyes. Otherwise, that girl go lick you very bad. She go lick you.
There's nothing she's going to leak. Alright? As far as I'm concerned, the girl is sweet and I'm sticky. Alright?
Person where they lick, you know say they lick her. She don't believe.
Hannah, you no go believe. Omo, that bobo say won't marry me. I dey tell you, say won't marry me. This thing surprise me. Please, I'm happy for myself. Please, I'm happy I win this jackpot. Omo, the bobo too fine. Who no go want marry that kind of person? 6K. How was she not go all yellow? Wow. Hannah, if you see house. Everywhere don't they glitter, they shine, one. All the curtains see gold, see, the house cost, it cost well. Very fine, no? It's already, no, there you do. That day you do, not near here. Not near, Hannah, if you want money, the day when on the neck come me, so my brother say they beat am for road. I don't run. I leave my bag for here because first time I go buy something, I put the money inside. I come back, I not see the money again. I even forget to even tell my mic. She say I dey comot. I don't run. Make I go meet my brother. Make I don't kill am. Na the only brother where I get. The money na no dey again. Anyway, na small money now. You know so they say everything happen for a reason. I do not thief this one. A bigger one. Now I don't enter. You don't understand? Oh wow! I will do later now. I'll buy you later. So, I put at the shop. I go pay. I know I go pay. I go shop my money. Not me again. I go pay. Oh, later. Oh, wow. Now you rub a tally. So I should walk with 5,000 now.
I'm going to marry her.
Supported, yeah.
Seems you like this one.
Yes, I love her. She looks so smart and outspoken. And I think she has seen life and she knows what she wants.
Yes, she knows what she wants. She's very good, very good.
That's beautiful.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's important, you know. I'm so happy for you, my brother. I'm happy for you. At least finally.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm not happy. I'm not happy because you barely even know this woman.
Who is this one?
I just want to marry her like that. You don't need to talk about marriage. I'm not mean. Everybody's suggesting their own. You don't need to marry her now. You just met her and now you want to marry her. It's not nice. It's not good. You should know her well. Know her face. All the city girls, you don't trust them. I saw all the ones that grew up in the slum. Baba, wrong.
Oh my, keep quiet. What do you know? Keep quiet.
Okay.
Elders are talking, don't talk. Shut your mouth.
Where have you been a day?
Mama, I don't know.
But I realize I was here for you now. Eh?
Mama, I don't know. I don't know where you waka go.
What have you not I say when I come here? Now wow. Anyway, look. You the see as I arrange this apple. Arrange the avocado, the banana, everything as I arrange a pepper like this.
Mama, they see am.
Make una help me, oh. As I go where they go, so my eyes see there, oh. I no one yet say una sell my market, put money for pockets. Or una chop my money.
Mama, they feel you, they feel you.
I no one yet say una shop anything. If you shop, you go pay. If you do POS, keep my money. Now two I get, the other one they charge them. If you do POS, keep my money. Now me they receive a lot for my phone.
No, Mama.
Now me they receive a lot, oh. Oh no, man.
No problem, ma. But Mama, wait. As we dey sell soon now, if you sell some, we go see shop some.
Let them worry you. Which shop if you sell some, you go shop, you go shop some. If you shop, you pay. You hear me so? Because I don't know where they go, whether I go make them for jail.
Mama, you go make them in Jesus' name.
As pastor now. As pastor. Oh yeah, when they come out, go find opener for me.
Mama,
find opener for me. Why do they wear this one?
I dey hear you.
30, open yash they waka. Now only you get big yash. Me not draw my trust go up. Me not draw go up. They show yash up and down because now you get big yash pass. This business one I won't even leave for this people. If not be same, my eye did that place.
True love is harder. Finding perfect one. True love is harder. Finding true love is harder. Finding true love is harder.
Who is there? Come in.
For you to get the full volume of joy, you must have some.
Good afternoon, my dear darling. Welcome to our house. Thank you, ma. Yes. What about Stanley, ma?
He's not yet back from work. Where is this girl? Ife Buche! Ife! Come.
The maid?
Yes. Please. Help her with her luggage.
Okay. No, ma, it's okay, I can.
No problem. Let her help you.
Thank you.
Hey.
Thank you.
Welcome to our house.
Thank you, ma.
Hey.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I should go.
No problem. Make yourself comfortable.
Okay, thank you, ma.
Hey.
Thank you, ma.
Hey. Love this one. Hey. Stanley. Hey. I like this one. So pretty. Hope she comes from a good home, sir.
It's harder. Finding perfect one. True love is harder. Finding true love is harder. Finding true love.
Stanley.
You?
I asked her to wait for you at the guest room, but she refused and moved into your room immediately, which is too desperate for me, and I don't like it.
No, sister. That's where I want her to be. My room.
Stanley, don't be too forward with this lady. Remember what happened to you with the other lady? And you still don't want to learn.
Sister, stop. Sister, if she wants to be in my room, then fine. Eh? Why are you trying to make a fuss out of this?
Stanley,
just stop.
Be careful. Just be careful.
Careful of what? Am I a child?
Stanley, these ladies are not what you think they are. Please. Just be careful. You are my only brother. Please. Stanley, be careful. Don't listen. That's the problem. He doesn't listen. That lady has issues.
I'm not surprised. Yes.
It seems you see something before I do.
What's the meaning of this? What? Why would you starve my guests all day?
Starve who?
My woman, of course. She just confirmed to me that nobody served her food since she came. Why?
Stanley, she lied. Someone I personally asked what she would eat, and she said she's not going to take anything until you return. Hey! Stanley, big one name. It's maybe you should take this thing out of your house and out of your life this moment. She's not good for you. Stanley Pico.
Sister, why will you refer to her as the? A woman I want to make my wife. You know, I'm beginning to regret why I let you two stay in this house.
Stanley, what did you just say?
I said what I said.
Stanley, did you just talk to me like that? Stanley has never talked to me like that ever since we were kids.
It's cleaning house now.
Just because of a woman.
It's cleaning house because of a woman.
Oh.
It's no problem. Mama, it's okay. Stop crying. It's okay, yeah? Don't cry now. It's okay. Don't worry, I know how to handle that later.
Stanley. Just because of a woman. Stanley is regretting allowing me to stay in his house. What did I do?
Mama, it's okay. How's how you do it for him?
I do everything and you know
okay,
it.
Don't worry.
Oh. No. I don't want you to have a problem with her, please. I don't want you to involve yourself in this problem, on her problem. She's troublesome.
Don't worry.
Please, allow her. Just leave her alone. Leave her alone. Leave them alone. If Stanley wants to send me packing, He's free to do it.
Why?
True love is harder. Finding perfect one. True love is harder. Finding true love is harder. Finding true love.
Good morning. What are you doing?
I'm making breakfast for me.
A former. Who is a former? Who is a former?
My organist.
Oh, that's good. Well, suspend that and make me breakfast instead.
Ma?
I said suspend and make me breakfast. Now. I want rice.
True love is harder. Finding perfect one. True love is harder. Finding true love is harder. Finding true love is harder. For you to get the full volume of joy.
Afana, you're still around. You haven't gone to school yet. What's going on?
I'm waiting for Ebube to do my breakfast. I don't know what's keeping her. I don't know what's keeping her so long to bring my breakfast.
Ife Buche! Ife! This girl. Oh, here she comes. What kept you so long now? Please give her food. She's running late.
This is what I asked for.
Really?
This is not my breakfast, right?
Yes. Madam said I should suspend any breakfast and make this for her.
God.
Who is the madam? Who is the person?
Answer. Who is madam?
My other girlfriend, wife to be.
Hey.
And you are a fool. She asked you to suspend my breakfast and make hers. And you agreed as the fool that you are. Right?
Well, meaning that your mother will be the one to make your breakfast for you henceforth, you little brat.
My dear, it's obvious you're a troublemaker. And let me tell you, you are in the wrong house.
No,
Do you hear me?
No,
Do you hear me?
Mama, she's in the right house because I am ready for you. I am ready for you.
You are ready for who, you little swine? Let me tell you something. You know, your days in this house are numbered.
You witch! Now listen, this is my brother's house. And you would never come in here to cause trouble between us. Do you hear me? Do you?
I would even advise you now to leave now that you can still leave. Because if I put mouth in your matter, it's not going to be calm. You are going to cry blood. Trust me.
Well, I do not blame you primitive fools. I blame my fiancé, Stanley, for letting you both stay in this house. Like I said earlier on, your days are numbered.
Now, if there is anyone to leave this house, you are the one. And trust me, you will leave very soon. I'll make sure of that.
You see something, a former. You just dey roll your mouth, chon chon chon.
Don't let me break you. Try to see who I am. Try
that one place.
Shut your mouth up. Get lost. I'm back to you. Hey! Stop that rubbish. I am still here. And let this be the first and the last you raise your filthy hands. My girl. Don't you ever try it again. And by the way, who made you his fiancé? Where is your ring? Where is your ring?
Good. I can see you can't get up.
You can leave now. Leave. Just get out.
Just go. Go. Who made you his fiancé?
Honey.
Look at this one. Hey! Fiancé.
Yeah, I'm eating this out. It's so above.
You are running late. Eat.
True love is harder. Finding perfect one. True love is harder. Finding true love is harder.
What? He's my friend. Sir, please, I beg you. Please don't hurt him. Don't do anything bad to him. 20 million? Sir, please, I don't have that kind of money. Where am I supposed to get 20 million naira from? Please, sir, I beg you. I don't have 20 million naira. Where am I supposed to get the money from? Please, I'm begging you in the name of God, do not hurt him. Okay? Do not hurt him. I'm going to look for a way to sort this. Please. Please, okay? Please, I beg you. Hello? Hello? Oh my God.
See. Okay, fine. See. That money too much. That 20 million too much. It's too much. How can I feel fuck up? I tell you. How could a big person 20 million?
But yeah, relax.
When you see 20 million by this, you don't hear what
you don't do. See, before I give them that amount, I don't reason. I don't take my time, think, digest her. See, as country day, anybody when you tell money now, he go price you. Try reason I'm saying go price. By the time when you don't price finish, you feel see 15 self. Yes now. That's what it be. But the last if you see 10, hold on. At least now there be our budget. Relax.
Nice one.
Baba.
T-man, now you get sense pass all of us we day here.
Yeah? Get sense pass you. You go say now you get sense pass you. Ever since we don't do here, which suggestion you don't bring. See, I don't think make you the carry calabar man they come. I don't know where from carry this calabar man. You suppose they don't play they do get man or house boy. One kind of come here. I don't blame you now. We don't sit down, they talk, they drink together now.
Even if na calabar man still live am.
No mind.
They give us shayo.
No mind, I'm making it.
I ain't going to talk so you get sense pass me.
I go here, leave this your pride. Salute who deserves to be saluted.
You can say that.
Understand? You not be only calabar man. If you call me Hausa man, add. Nonsense. I better talk with you been the talk.
See, leave this man. Look at tell you what man will tell you. Yeah? You don't ever think, what if this guy go call police? What you go do?
Sometimes you go talk like say you don't know who you follow. I reason am too, bro. See, I caught a serious warning. May not involve police of any kind. Even if he mistakenly, knowingly or unknowingly, involve police. I tell him, say, we go shoot you for like.
Shoot you?
We go shoot you.
Me? You can't talk with that one now.
No be you we kidnap.
You fear to die.
See, you know they talk that kind of issue.
Guy, the money go show.
The money go
It's harder finding perfect one. It's harder finding true love. It's harder finding true love.
Hi. You're busy?
Yes.
Okay. What are you doing?
Clothes. Madam Ugochi gave me clothes to wash.
Okay. For henceforth, you won't be washing those. You'll be washing mine alone. Just take them right away. Okay? Thank you.
It's harder finding perfect one. It's harder finding true love. It's harder finding true love.
You're fired. You are fired.
Please, ma. I'm sorry.
Ma, don't beg me. I employ you into this house. But since you don't have sense to listen to me, you not have the right to be listening to strangers. Hey, you're fired.
Please, ma. I'm sorry. I will continue to listen to you. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, ma. Please, ma. Please, ma.
Did I hear you call me a stranger? Well, that stranger happens to be the new owner of this house. Stand up.
And who made you the owner of the house I built for my brother? Who made you that?
Stand up.
Sit If you stand up from this place, Ifebuche, you tell me who employed you here. Who brought you here? Stand there. Kneel down there. Stand up! I said kneel down. No, come on, kneel down. Kneel down to you.
What did you say again? You were who?
You know who I am already.
Who is your brother? My fiancé. And now he has given me the full authority over this house because I'm his fiancé. And you are nothing. Nothing. So you do not have the right to talk to her.
Listen. Listen and listen good. I employed Ifebuche into this house. So she has no right to leave my duty, the duty I sent her, to do yours. Do you hear me?
We are saying the same thing. Now listen to me. If you were in her shoes, who would you listen to? The madame of the house? Or a parasite like you?
An idiot to say that. You are an idiot to call me that name. You're very stupid. How dare you?
Be careful, you're spitting on me.
Me spitting on you? Oh! Stanley. This is what you've caused.
Ugochi. Ugochi, you dey crazy. Ugochi, you dey mad.
Hey. Who is this?
Okay. Now listen to me. Henceforth, she is not going to listen to you because I am the madam of this house.
You lie bad.
Ifebuche, stand up.
I said.
Now listen to me. You see this girl Ifebuche, she will no longer be serving you. She will take orders from me because I will be paying her.
You witch.
Now stand up.
Sit. Kneel down there.
Ifebuche, stand up.
I said kneel down there.
I am your new madam. Stand up.
Kneel down there.
First thing tomorrow morning, they're leaving my house. I'm sending them out.
There's no need for that. Just let it be.
I just don't need their headache. I don't need the stress in my life.
Honey, your family, how are you going to send them away? Tomorrow we decide to get married. You need them.
I don't need them. When I want to get married, I'll get married without them. I don't need them.
She is your only sibling. She's your only sibling, so you need them.
I don't need them, babe. Trust me, I don't.
Do you know what? I'll find a way. I'll talk to them. I'll beg it. Just for your sake.
Come here.
I'll beg it.
Come, babe.
I'll beg it.
I'm so sorry, okay? You see what they're causing? Huh?
Okay.
Now they're making you cry. This is what I don't like.
I called this meeting because of the disturbing complaints I got from my wife-to-be.
But honey, I told you not to bother.
Why won't I bother? I mean, this is my house. I do not want anyone to bring troubles to me.
Stanley, if there is anyone causing trouble in this house, it's this disrespectful thing you brought into this house.
Stop that. Stop it. I won't have you use such words to describe my wife-to-be. Stop it.
But she's disrespectful. She's a troublemaker.
My family, shut up. I said shut up. How dare you talk when I'm still talking? Are you mad?
Afoma, Jironugi, close your mouth.
I won't have this. Alright? I will not have this. If it has gotten to the point where you cannot respect me or respect my woman to be, then you can as well.
Then what? Leave your house, isn't it? No, say it. Stanley, you are now talking to me. Adam Negi. Anyhow now, right? Hey! Stanley, no problem.
I don't expect this from you.
I don't blame you, Stanley.
I do not expect this from you. I don't expect you to bring this unity to this family. Stanley. I don't expect this from you.
Talk to me like this.
Hey! And she's pretending.
Stanley.
She's pretending.
Who is in charge now?
Delilah. Hey! Afoma, Stanley, my brother, talks to me anyhow now. Hey!
What do you want me to do? Why are you telling me? You shut me up here just now and you are complaining to me. Why are you telling me? You stop,
Hey!
stop.
Hey!
are you doing now?
I'm leaving.
You are leaving to where? Eh? You are leaving to where now, Mama? What are you doing?
I'm going back to the village. I can't take this insult anymore. I'm leaving Stanley's house. Let me leave Stanley's house.
Mama, you are not leaving. You are leaving Stanley's house, or you are leaving because of that nonsense.
I don't care anymore. Let me go, please. Let me go back to the village.
You are not going anywhere. You are the one that said you want to stay here until your brother gets married to a good woman.
That was when I thought I knew him. I don't know him anymore. Please! After what? Leave this thing!
Mama, you are not going.
I will leave you here and go!
You don't know that if you leave now, you will not be a coward.
I accept.
Well, I'm not going with you. I will stay and make sure you...
No problem. No problem. Just stay. By the time
I'm not going anywhere.
Mama, leave this thing. Leave this thing.
I'm not going now.
Mama, please, let's go back to the village. They don't need us here anymore.
Mama, I'm not going anywhere.
Mama, let me go. I don't want this insult anymore. The insult is too much.
I'm not going anywhere.
It's better we go back to the village. Eh?
Do you have plans to go anywhere today?
Well, yes. I'll visit my friend and then I'll be back home. You know, my fruit stand, my brother is already taking care of it.
Talking about your fruit stand, I think I saw it locked yesterday.
What? Locked? How?
I should have called you to tell you about it, but I was on the phone with the kidnappers who kidnapped my friend, asking for a ransom of 20 million, but I bargained 10 million with them.
What? Your friend was kidnapped?
Yes, he was.
And you want to give them how much? 10 million naira?
Yeah.
Just like that?
My friend was kidnapped. Did you miss that?
No, babe, don't do that. Just relax. Just hold on. Trust me. I'm very sure your friend can handle himself. Please.
My friend we're talking about, and they threatened to kill him.
Babe, just trust me. Please. Trust me. Don't give them any money. 10 million. Ha. Please. 10 million is much. Ha. No.
I don't know what they hold this guy. Why has he not brought the money? What's keeping him?
Wait. No, come to think of it, I tell this guy say your life is at risk. I know. The guy know bado you as you reason.
You can talk with that one.
I know they're happy now. I know they're happy at all. Let me make I shout. We don't dey here for us.
Look at this clever man come here.
Hello? Then welcome. Are you bringing this money or not? Who be this? Who be this? Can you imagine? Kind of one idiot, pick cord, still get mind, they tell me say, are they crazy?
Male or female?
Kind of woman.
Woman? I know who do that thing. I know who do that thing.
Who be that idiot? Who be that idiot? Where you go buy him sharply?
This clever man.
Yeah, if you know who do that thing, if you know who run this shit now, reason me that person. As that person don't provoke me now, I want to see him. I want me to see him face to face. You go know me, I go know him.
This clever man.
Where get mind?
They call me calabar. Person when you the reason, you don't get sense, you don't value your life. Look at you.
You get person who go prepare us for
kidnap me, you go see. That's some go fool here now.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking, of course.
Why? We have a maid here, so why are you cooking?
We have one. But as you can see, your uncle's girlfriend stops her from cooking for us. So, let's do it by ourselves. I can cook.
No. I can cook as well, but I won't let her have one.
I know.
No, Mama. She has to offer us all the services she's being paid for. Ifebuche! No. Ifebuche! Ifebuche! Come here. Come here. What are you doing? Nothing. I allowed my mother cook. Are you mad?
It's my madam that said that.
Madam that said what? Who the hell is your madam? Who employed you here?
Have you
Who
forgotten
employed you here? Who employed you? Point out very well. Are you mad? So now that your so-called madam is not the one that will command you and you will listen to her. Now take this thing from my mother.
Come leave her. I can cook.
Take it from my mother.
Okay.
You will do the cooking and nothing will happen. Mama, let's go. Let's go. Let me not wait for my food. Let me not wait for my food. Mama, let's go.
I'm in love with you.
I did tell you say I go my shop, I don't see my brother. I don't find and tire, I don't see him.
Which one do you not see your brother? The brother where they party around with him babe on no medicines.
You say?
Yes, now they party around with no medicines now.
So you mean say this boy lock my store, go the party?
Huh? Which store? You get shop.
Which kind of
because I don't know the shop where they talk about.
Which one be whether I get store? I not get store now, because they say you don't know my store.
I see your brother now with some people for your shop. If they say your shop they give them, now I come there and ask and say, wait till they happen for you. Because say you tell them say make you sell the shop. I can say shoe. My friend wants to sell shop, you know tell me.
Wait. You say waiting. If they sell my store, I be you sell my store. Ha! Now you the joke, I be waiting.
I be you like comedian for your eye. I be you like joke for your eye. I say I see your brother with my koro eyes with some set of people where you want to sell your shop give.
But now you dey vex me.
How?
No, you dey vex me. So you mean say you dey watch am in dey sell the store. And you not fit carry phone, take call me. Anna. Ha! Anna sometimes I dey wonder whether you be my friend. How you go let my brother dey sell my own store? You not fit call me for phone say see wetin this boy dey do, make me come.
Oh vessel. Omo, with the way your brother take the sound there, it sounds so convincing. You even say you give and go ahead.
Me
to sell the shop.
Me.
Yes.
I go give and go ahead.
You give and go ahead to sell the shop.
How?
I can't dey surprised. It shock me. You
How?
shock me.
How I want to give and go ahead? No, how I want to give and go ahead when I never know where I dey go. Me know where I dey go, whether I go better for me now. Because guys make it sell my store.
Me I no know. The way when they stand there with the people when stand with.
No wahala.
I think say now you give and go ahead. Oh.
Where you say you see and last?
I see am with those people for your shop. Oh.
Today now, where you dey? Where you see and last?
Just the waka they go, you go see am. Me I no know. I don't know where you go dey now like this as we dey talk. I think say now you give and go ahead to sell the shop.
You no be
now.
better friend. Bro, sometimes I don't even understand the kind of friendship where I get with people.
Now wow. Now so you dey waka leave me go. I think now you give a permission now. Hey, see me see wahala. I see your brother dey sell shop, they give it, they blame me. Why you go dey blame me? Nah. That one sef na idiot, you go dey sell shop wey no be your own.
Do you know your plan worked? I mean, the kidnappers called me and I refused to give them the money. They called me 2 hours later and asked me to give them 2 million. Can you imagine that? What's going on? Why are you like this?
I got to my shop and I met another man there. I found out that my brother sold my shop.
What? Why would he do a thing like that?
I don't know. I can't even find him.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry about this, darling. Okay? I'm so sorry about it.
Why? Why would he do such a thing? He knows that that is the only business I have.
Babe, relax. Alright? Relax. I know you're angry, but I don't want you to overreact right now. The most important thing is to make sure your brother is fine.
He shouldn't be fine. I swear, because if he's fine, I will make sure he is not fine.
Relax. You're going to be fine. I'm here. I'll take care of you. I promise you. Hmm?
I'm not so sure of that.
Why?
considering the fact that your family practically restricted me from driving your car. I'm not sure about that.
Excuse me, are you trying to say you wanted to go out with my car and they restricted you?
Obviously. But that's the least of my problem.
I'll handle this. Hold on. My fiancée told me she wanted to use my car and you stopped her. Can I know why, please?
Yes, I stopped her because she's not supposed to go anywhere with your car. You don't expect me to allow a stranger go out with your property, do you?
Are you crazy?
Exactly.
I don't understand.
A stranger. A woman I plan to make my wife, you call a stranger.
Why don't you marry her first before she can be able to use your place?
Exactly.
You're out of your senses. You're mad. Sister, you better hold your daughter. You better control your daughter, else I'll teach her a lesson she will not forget in a hurry. You know what? I think it's time for you two to move out of this main building to the boys' quarters.
Stanley, why you gotten to that?
Because of a woman.
Are you mad? If you cannot stay in the boys' quarters, then fine, leave my house.
Hey!
Yeah. What's this nonsense?
Don't worry.
What's all this for?
We'll move to where you want us
No,
to be.
there's no problem. House that we have been in.
Stanley, it's unfair.
Tame this little rat. Tame her.
Stanley, just because of the woman, you are treating me like this.
Stanley!
Stanley!
Go and clean his
Hey!
room. Now he's back now and he wants us to leave the house. He wants us to leave
Quiet!
the house, right? Because of
It's
the woman.
okay.
There's
Let's
no
move to
problem.
where you want
No,
us
there's
to
no
go.
problem. You want to gladly move. There's no problem. at
Afoma,
all.
I don't want problem. You are adding more. Please.
Okay.
Let's move to where you asked us to. I don't want problem. Please. And I don't want it to.
Is it not even better we move out of this
Don't
house?
talk to your uncle like that.
Only me. No, mommy, I don't like this today. I don't like this thing that he's doing. I hate it. I don't like it. What kind of thing is this one now?
Stop complaining. I told you that we should leave and you said no.
Why will you leave? Because of a stranger. You don't need to leave, mama. Let's stay here. Let's fight for our rights.
Our rights. What is our rights? Let me ask you. Does Stanley look like somebody that needs our protection? Is it until he sent us out? That's when you know that he no longer needs our opinion or anything.
Mama, let's wait until he sends us out. For now, we need to fight. Fight for him. We need to protect him.
Where's the muzzle? Where's the muzzle you use in fighting?
I don't do things like that now.
Afoma, let's go. Afoma, let's go now. I don't want trouble.
So you can't enter inside though.
Huh? What do you mean we can't enter inside? See, me and my daughter, we are very hungry. And we need to enter inside there, cook food and eat.
Sorry, but Madam said that I should not allow you access into the house.
Which madam? Which madam? Who is the madam? See, my daughter and I, we are very hungry. And we need to enter inside there and cook food to eat.
Mama, I'm not happy. I'm not happy the way you are thinking. You are so calm. I'm not happy. The fact that you're ever stopping us, it baffles me a lot. Because we made you. We employed you.
Hey.
That you are here today is by my work, safe. Me personally, I made sure you are in this position. I even made sure you started using deodorant. Were you like this before? Now you have the mind. You have the mind to stop us from entering inside the house.
It's not me,
Because you feel you are here now. You have arrived.
Let's go.
You are going to enter where and nobody will do work.
You are entering that kitchen today and you won't do anything.
Let me see you try.
Sandra, whatsoever you are called, why are you being so mean and wicked? Why?
Because you caused it. How dare you challenge me? You challenged me in my own fiance's house?
Hey,
no.
fiancé.
Mama, why are you smiling? This is not a laughing
Don't
matter.
worry,
You're not supposed to be calm.
Don't
Don't
worry.
tell me don't worry. I need to worry.
Don't worry.
I need to worry.
It's okay. Don't mind her. Don't mind her. Let her enjoy it while it lasts.
No, come and enter.
Do you see what it costs?
Enter, let me see
Come
you.
on. You see.
See, hey you. This is my uncle's house. You cannot stop us from doing anything we want to do in this house. So Mama, let's go inside.
So this is your uncle's house. Why are you begging? You're practically begging
Who
me
is
to
begging
let you enter the house.
Shut up your mouth. Nobody's begging you. Shut up your mouth. If you're looking for somebody to beg you, I can never do it.
Let me see you go into the house. Try it. If you try them, don't try them. Pass me. Enter here.
See, Mama, I'll push her. I'll push her. I'm just looking at your face. I'll push her. I'll push her. Come out from there.
I'll push her. I'll push her.
Come out from there.
Can we enter? Don't you dare. Don't do that.
Come out from there.
Don't take my car.
Mama, no.
Don't worry.
No.
Don't worry.
Mama, no.
It's Stanley that caused this thing. It's fine. Don't problem. I'll send the Febuche to bring you capping gas, what they call it, small gas, so you can prepare something to eat over there. No problem. Let's go. Enjoy the wine.
But you see you are the cause of all this nonsense. Just hold on.
I forgot who brought you here. I don't blame you.
I'm just looking at your face. I'm just looking
Let's
at
go.
your face. Not like there's no wood for me.
Don't worry. Enjoy it while it lasts. Don't worry. It's not me. Hey, shut up. Can you imagine? This is small as He see you. Get back.
Joy. Hey, my girl. Calm down. Oh boy. This one I even on it too.
I just I'm not complaining. When I see the man like this, I look am, I see my future. I die here.
Congratulations, my girl. Collect them. This one a better jackpot.
Better one.
You wait for yourself.
Better one.
Che. Omo, see like though. This one
no, people don't do this also. Take the camera, do. Come out. No, come on, do that. Come out, do.
You can cross my leg. Okay, make I maintain.
Like that. Don't worry yourself. I don't arrive.
As you don't arrive like this now, how are you going to intend to help you again now? To remove her from
that kind of thing now. No, anything where I get, you get them. Sure. Anything where I get, you get them. No, me, are you again?
You sure?
I will talk that kind of thing. I will talk that kind of thing. Don't worry.
Anything you get them, you get them.
Anything, you get them.
So when you go help me now? When you go come out to me, see you get the roast inside ghetto. I dey roast like
I go help you relax. No, small now. You don't want all the chief things come up on this house. Don't stop cash me.
Go help
me. I need to win their trust. You don't understand. But you say, who give you wig when you wear? Who give you wig when you wear? Come here. Who give you wig?
My girl, I borrow am. I use money. I never even pay finish.
I not dey pay. I not get money. I never.
Go give me something before they come off for you. Wetin dey work you?
I never collect money now.
They do. Which one be no come money now? Okay.
What's up?
Almost see fish. The fish big.
I
go to.
Relax. Now flower bed, it costs 10 million.
You said
10 million naira. Now you pay.
I'm in love with you. One day back I go see you. I'm in love. Sunshine, now you go be. You be waiting, I price you. Now waiting, I price for my getty. I go get you.
Sister, what are you doing?
Exactly what you want me to do. Are you happy now, Stanley? Are you happy?
Sister, how can you be sweeping my house when I have a security man to do the job? Eh? And you?
Oga.
Why did you allow her to take the broom?
No, Oga, na me madam. Na me madam carry broom give her, say make you sweep the whole compound.
Come on, take that thing away from her.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
I don't want to see you.
Madam, hey, you there alright?
Don't say anything. I don't want to hear your voice.
Okay, ma. Sorry
from this.
Okay.
Come stand your house. Come sweep. God. Hey!
Guys,
It's obvious she's no longer the owner of that shop.
See, now this kind of thing they face me. Who person nothing concern I just they block things for person. It they vex me too much. Anyway, who took care, she could just put her spoil everything. They vex me like say tomorrow no day like this as I deal with you. And they try home my see this thing where you see now still I they maintain. No be I they vex.
There's only one place where that idiot get in now. His friend's house.
You mean your guy? See, it be like say time don't reach where we go visit that guy.
Exactly.
No, we go visit him.
We go visit him now.
Yeah, maybe you see that thing when they find. He don't go. Small thing he dey shake. We go visit him. We go see him. Go visit him.
They don't they frustrate us.
You do obvious. Guy, I dey try hold myself. Even to hold this myself hard. I dey try hold myself.
Hold on.
That one person go dey hold on. Person go just dey frustrate.
Hold yourself. Hold on.
Which kind of nonsense be this now? We take person dey play like this.
Wait. Does it mean that he has recognized that this is a scam?
Guy, you no matter. Scam or no scam, he go collect. As he dey now, he go collect. You don't fool my head. You don't fool my head.
You asked my sister to sweep the compound.
No, I didn't ask her to sweep the compound. I asked the daughter to sweep the compound.
You know I have a gate man whose job it is to sweep the compound every day.
Babe. Okay, fine, you have a gate man that does the job. So what do they do? What are they doing in the house? What is their job? I asked the daughter to sweep and not the mother.
This is wrong. Totally wrong.
What exactly is wrong? That I asked the daughter to sweep if she must continue to eat? Babe, for Christ's sake, just allow me to run the house the way I want to. You want peace, right? Let me be. Let me do what I want to do.
My sister is too old for this. Please.
How is she too old for this? People in my community, they sweep. Old people, they sweep to make money. And they sweep, let they chop now. Babe. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Mama, I'm not happy. I don't like this thing you are doing. You are pissing me off. I have reason for everything I say. Please. I said you should not sweep that place. I didn't want to sweep it. So why did you not sweep it?
Ufoma, I had to. Ufoma, I had to sweep.
You had to? Why? You should have left it there so that when Uncle comes back, I will tell him that his son was stupid wife to be asked you to sweep it.
Your uncle got back and saw me sweeping. He did nothing. He just went straight. He went straight into the house and he didn't even bother coming out. He didn't come out. He didn't. Afoma, please now. Let us just manage this place. Oh, do you want us to go back to the village? Should we go back to the village? You can't talk again. I don't want trouble. Let me just manage this place.
Wash my head. Wash my head. Oh my God. You're number one. You're number one champion.
You keep telling me that. When are you going to send money into my account?
Baby, why would you say that now? I always tell you this. What is mine is yours. You have access to my life. You
Really?
Yes. You own
I'm
me
glad
now.
I do.
Yes, baby, you own me. By the way, have you heard from your brother?
I don't want to. Please don't spoil my mood. I don't care.
Come on, then, come on. No matter what he did to you, it's still your blood. Alright?
Please, I don't want to talk about this, okay? Please. I want you again. Come on.
Again?
Go.
Hey.
I'll call you back.
What? What is going on here? Yeah? What are you doing here? I am talking to you. What are you doing here? Are you there for something? What are you doing here? What are you doing in this house?
What am I doing here? What is this place for? Are you not seeing what I'm doing? I'm watching television.
Afoma, I remembered I banned you from coming into this house.
You cannot ban me from coming into this house. You only ban my mother. So
Afoma,
I came in.
Afoma, before I open my eyes, I want you out of this house immediately.
No, you can open your eyes. You don't need to close it. Because it's only my uncle that have the right to ask me out of this house. And my uncle banned my mother, not me.
Afoma, you know, you've been trying so much to get the beast out of me. I really do not want to show you what I'm capable of doing.
You don't need to show me the beast in you because I'm already seeing it.
What did you say?
And you just called yourself a beast.
What did you say? What did you say? What did you say? Nonsense.
You got the slap, Abby?
Got what?
You got it. Thank you so much. Hey! What? Phone that will fire you. I'm going to show my own. Give me that phone. Give me that phone now. Give me that phone.
What did you do? What did you do? What did you do?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry for what?
I'm sorry. She forced me to do it. I'm sorry.
Who is paying you? Who is paying you?
You.
Me? Yes. So why did you do that? Why did you do that?
I'm sorry.
Why did you do that? Why did you do that?
I'm sorry, ma. Please. I'm sorry. So long these people are staying in this house, they will keep on forcing me to do this. I'm sorry. Hey,
you're so big for nothing.
You are what? Big for nothing.
You are what?
Big for nothing.
You are what?
Big for nothing.
Out!
Ogana Gateman, you be no be God though. Come for it, make I enter inside now.
So if I allow you now, you go enter inside this compound. They tell you say they find person like you for inside this compound. Eh? See person. Cause who you be self? You be man, abi you be woman.
No insult me, I no change am for you.
Be like she wolf.
Come on for road though.
Me I no insult you.
This face be like face where I know.
Yes, I used to be your school daughter that times. Your senior no me.
Afoma, now you be this?
Yes.
Oh man, you don't fresh oh.
Small mother, you know this person?
Yes. You can.
Come up for road and they tell you I be VIP. Afoma, now you be this?
Yes.
Hi.
Senior.
Now eyes what takes you be this oh. Now here they live.
Yes, they find person.
See, they tell me say my boyfriend sister they stay here. Let me can find and come. I want to see him.
Your boyfriend sister. What's be her name?
Okay, her name is Sandra. You know her?
Sandra. Okay, you know that witch.
Witch quoi? No, na Sandra the fine. I'm the fine witch. She dey stay here.
I'm in love with you. When they back I go see you. You see, I'm in love. Current sunshine. Now you go be. You be waiting, I price you. Now waiting, I price for my gate. I go get it. I'm in love. Sunshine, now you go be. You be waiting, I price you. I love waiting, I see. I am ready to do anything to keep above. I'm in love. Current sunshine, I'm in love. Now you go be. You be waiting, I price you. I won't keep them all for myself. I am deeply in love because
what do you do for here? Eh? What do you do here now?
Mama, why you dey para now? You not happy to see me?
Happy to see you say your name now, waiting. Waiting you dey find for here.
Now your brother tell me say make I go meet Anna, make her ask him where you dey live. So I can't go meet Anna, come and see where you live. She can't show me, say, make her come this place, in here you dey.
I don't hear. Waiting you they do for here. All this plenty talk where you talk now, you never tell me waiting carry you come here. Waiting you they do here.
Mama, wahala dey o. Better wahala dey.
Eh, waiting be the wahala.
Police carry your brother. They just come arrest him. I don't even know wetin happen.
Police carry my brother. Waiting be the carry. Waiting you do.
Now the person wey you say your shop give, now you come arrest him. But I don't know how the matter take cast. I don't even know wetin they do. You just come arrest him.
You see, they supposed arrest you join. They supposed put handcuff for your hand, carry you join. Onome, before I come out for Kaban, I beg you. I tell you, say, make you look after my brother. If he may misbehave, make you let me know or caution him. I beg you. But what do you do? You follow and they do a toro. You not chop for the money when they said stuff.
Mama, no be that one wey they talk now. The mistake they don't already make am now. I just want me just help him. At least make the bail and come out. He dey suffer for the cell, I beg.
He go rot for there.
Mama, you mean am?
I mean am. He go rot for there. You hear me? Come on here.
See, Mama, blood na blood. You know if you lose guard your own blood.
If you not take your time now, I go drink your own blood. Join the one when I get. Come on for here now.
They pursue on the come
on. Come on for here now. Don't let these people wait there. This starts to know the kind of person when I be. You come on for here now.
You even say at least make you give me mineral, make I drink.
If now, it go favor me and you if I no shout. No shout. So begin bounce. Begin the bounce.
Mama, you no go find me transport.
I'm not going for here.
If now 1,000 now, you just give me now.
You don't follow chop the money where it set for the show.
How much you give me, sir? Mama, I beg you. No vex.
This girl don't even know this one to do.
I'm in love with you. One day back I go miss you. I'm in love. Sunshine, now you.
Come. Calm down.
Afama the para. Afama to see me so the para for my body. You see that girl where they call Sandra, where they inside there, the phone one thing. She they carry her leg, they hang for where her hand no reach. That girl where they see there, na better bad person. She don't even deserve to be near your uncle. They hear me so.
Why did you say it?
See, if you know anything good for you, could just tell your uncle make you leave that girl. You know, say when I leave school, I can't go they stay for one ghetto like that. For that ghetto like this so now, me and Sandra, all of us, they stay together. We be like family, we they survive together now. So me and my brother come they run one kind package, onto 1 and 2 now. You can't be saying he be my boyfriend, I can't be his girlfriend. So I know this girl very well. Now Nini they see so. You know, say if you call her winch that time, she was past winch. A bad girl she be. Ashawo. Nobody will know her.
Ha.
See, if you know what's good for you, you go just go meet that your brother. If you like her, tell her to make you lose guard this girl. If not, she go put better trouble for her head though. I know what's how they talk. They hear me back.
No problem.
You go be now.
One day back I go miss you. I'm in love with you.
Do you mean that lady inside our house is a criminal?
I'm a slut.
Hey. But that's still hard to believe, oh. It's too difficult.
I know. That she doesn't look it does not mean she's not what I just said now.
But how will you now convince your uncle? You know he doesn't listen to us anymore.
Mama, don't worry. You don't need to bother yourself. I have a way to do anything I want to do. And for that lady, anything that is our plan will never work as long as I am in this house.
Amen.
It will never work. Don't worry, don't stress yourself.
You need to be careful. Be careful, Biko.
Mama, I will.
I don't want trouble.
I will.
Where the money? Where did this happen? Oh, yeah. Hey. Where the money where they this house?
Maybe you take your upstairs.
Okay, money downstairs.
Yes.
I like you. You don't want to stress me.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Stop your carry on, go upstairs. Fast. Understand?
Hey, you, oh yeah. Stand up now. I talk to you. They look me now. Just stand up. I said stand up.
Okay.
Oh yeah. You know where the money where they this house dey. Straight.
Close your eyes when they go. Open eyes.
Close your eyes.
Okay. Pull up there. Okay.
Let go.
Pull up. Oh, you are here. Close your eyes. He don't know for ambulance to carry. Come on, he look deep why. You don't see deep before. I'm a thief. What did I do? Oh, they want us. I don't.
Boy, let's go.
Let's go.
Now wow. Does it mean that the gate man didn't look well before opening the gates?
He said they told him they were the estate security people. That's why he opened the gate.
Thank God they don't even beat you much.
I don't understand. What does that mean? Are you happy they beat me up?
No, you know you chased us out of this main building, so I'm happy we were not even here when the thing happened. So all thanks to God. Glory be to God.
Afoma, if you don't know what to say, just shut up. Shut up. You should have shut her up a long time ago. Not now. It's obvious you did not give her good home training. Obviously. Let her talk.
Madam, I was not referring to you. Stop putting mouth to talk that is not concern you.
What? You're calling my wife to me, madam. Such disrespect. You know what? I think it's time for you to leave this house. I don't want this nonsense. You're leaving this house today.
Now let me leave now.
What are you talking about?
I'll leave.
You are sending your little niece out of your house. Are you out of your mind?
I don't care.
Sister, she will leave my house. I don't have strength for this nonsense. She's leaving my house. What's this?
Mama.
Oh, Mama Mio. You are not happy, Abi? Clap hand for yourself. You are finally leaving.
Clap hand for Jesus. Let's go.
Hey!
Pack your things.
Pack your things.
You know what?
I said leave my house.
Mama, come let me pack your own.
You see, I told you they don't like me. They don't like me.
Don't worry about them. They don't matter, okay?
Stanley, you know, if my daughter is leaving this house, I'm living with her.
I don't care. If you want to go with her, fine. All I know is that insulting girl will not remain in this house. Never. Don't let that happen.
Stanley, I never knew a day like this will come, that you look me in the eyes and tell me to leave your house after all I did for you. You now choose a stranger over us.
Sister, listen, if you want me to pay you for everything you did for me, fine. I'll pay you. Alright? I'm just telling you that I choose my peace over any other thing. I'm not going to marry you now, sister. I will marry you.
Stanley,
the one I'm going to marry, you have to respect her.
Stanley, doesn't mean I don't give you peace. Stanley, you choose a stranger over your own blood. Hey!
You're still saying this thing.
Stanley, why? Stanley, this is not you. Hey, Jesus. Ofama has finished me. Ofama has finished me. Oh, how will I go?
Come on.
Come on, make I touch you.
Let's say that poverty kill your grandfather. One time when you see money, you just the thing go to shack you for our body.
So you don't start to insult me, Abi?
Stupid Calabar boy.
I bet share money, make I make it.
Share which money?
Share the money now.
Guy, this your guy. I tell you now.
Get money. For person to keep this kind of money for house, for this economy. It's a big deal.
Yes, no, my guy, he get money.
The guy get money.
No,
See, that means we go visit him again. Now.
You go visit you again?
We go visit him again.
How many caravan men you don't show us more go visit?
The shame no catch you. Say now your fellow Igbo man we go attack, collect the money. Why we no rob you? Answer. I bet shame money man come off for here. The insult person.
No problem. I go wound this boy.
That one concern on that too.
I go wound this boy.
Money they here now.
See what you happen? We say, see as the team be now. See you take do this one.
Wait.
I don't understand.
Who are you to share money? Why they?
No, ask him now.
Hey, put that in back.
And now you get this one.
Put the money. Drop the money. Make person share the money.
If not for him, that one too much. If not, that one too much. Share him into half.
So which money you want to share? Wait, when I don't start,
Not me. Calm down. That one is enough for you.
Where you get this one now? You go the like
club. When they come money, I don't trust you. The way they zip this bag.
I'm coming. Anna, what's you doing here now? Why did you do that now? You won't make I fall. You not say you know they come here. If you must come, you supposed call me. At their side since they wait for you now, they wait make your man walk come out. Should they wait for me say wait till they owe you something? Which one the way that they owe me something? You don't forget say me and you yarn something based on what you promise me. Anna, why you come here? Which one be now why I come here? No, wait you won't carry me come here before. But wait, chillax, no be waiting carry me come here. Make I show you the main reason. They carry me come for this place. Sure, what did you bring her? You carry everything you come. Calm down. You carry exhibit. Calm down. Which one the exhibit? I be like person they carry exhibits for car. See waiting carry me come here. What you carry you now? Your phone they show. What you did? You tell me say make her they watch over your bobo friend. So now waiting carry me come here. See waiting I get from him. Not true. You dey see him? Oh yeah. Sure. Na him. No be small thing, no. I dey tell you, no be small thing. Your wickedness, if they learn for where they are. See, good. Thank you so much. You're not my friend. See, I owe you. Come to say something. You owe me big one. Big one. Now you they owe me. Forget that thing. Wait, make a person send this video. They send. You can send them. You know, say you know they use. Now the money where they get, what I get from them yesterday be that. Yes. No, say you know they use iPhone, so I need to send them for WhatsApp. Which kind of insult with that one now? No, I don't think I don't understand. What be insult? The truth is bitter. Which kind of insult with that one? I dey come. Don't talk bad for your phone. You don't enter. That nonsense. You go try get better man. We go change your life. Oh yeah, call the go. Try me make I come the go. No, that you go give me something make I cheat. Come the go. You want make the podcast show? Come the show. Shame me. Give me something make I cheat. Stay friend. I will see you there. Go. Hey, no be so much, you know. People wicked though. Shoo. Make I send this video for another person's phone where I trust. Because I don't want this. I don't see this video. This video is my evidence. I don't know whether I go dash me money. If you even trust me because of this thing, go trust me more. People wicked. This one my friend, no. For me, I'm not related to him, so I feel do anything I want.
Stanley, you mean you were attacked?
I couldn't believe it. I was scared to death, man.
Hey, where are robbers from come this town? Did they take money from you?
What do you mean by that? They took the whole money in the house now. They stole my money.
Hey! Fuck. Oh, wow.
So, right, I just retrieved my transfer app. Yeah, after this thing. So, I'll just make a transfer of 200,000 to you now.
To me?
So that I can manage for now, yes. Call your account.
31 09 311 09.
What bank?
Equity Bank.
I just sent 200,000. Please manage it, okay?
Hi. Thank you, bro. No, I'll go use this money find those armed robbers. That money will give me now. I'll go use and find those armed robbers. I swear to God.
Forget about that.
Thank you so much, bro. Thank you.
I need to be somewhere now, okay?
Thank you. Yeah. God bless you. I don't know, I come down for you. I don't receive a lot too. Thank you.
Alright, man. What?
Honey, I'm telling you. Don't worry about it. Okay, fine, let me tell you. You know, I asked a friend of mine to help me trace him, follow him everywhere he goes. Because I was suspecting that your friend. Yes, and she caught the video of everything. Just imagine. God. People are wicked. You see, I'm very sure you've been noticing some strange attitude in that your friend. It is what? Now you know who he is. I'm the only one you have now. It's me and you till eternity. My baby. Sugar. Okay. I'll see you when you get back. Okay? I'm ready for you. Okay, bye-bye. Now, wow. Hi! Now, wow, people wicked. At the talk, he say wicked. But he's my friend now. He wicked past me. I don't know this guy now. Not my friend, not my brother. So I can do what I want to do. But this one, my own friend. I go chop my own command for this one, friend on the chop. Make I ready. I need to bath, wait for him because I need to collect some, you know.
I'm in love with you. One day back I go miss you. I'm in love. Got sunshine. Now you.
Afama, what is the meaning of this? You're eating my food and what are you doing in this house? I thought I sent you out.
Calm down. Calm down. Do you have more juice?
Afama, please do not get on my nerves. Please. Please. What are you doing here?
Calm down, Ogeni. Calm down. Calm down. I'm here to talk to you. Sit down. Let's talk. Sit down. Let's talk.
Afama, what do you want to talk about? I don't want to sit.
Okay. Fine. Go on to sit. Now I'll sit and talk to you. So, there's this information reaching me that, okay, let me just go this way. You know that I know your work. I know what you do for a living.
What is that supposed to mean?
What is that supposed to mean? I know what you used to do before, and I know what you are still doing now to survive. Even as I in my uncle's house.
Afoma, go straight to the point. What are you saying?
You are a prostitute and you used to steal.
What do you mean by that? What are you talking about?
What am I talking about?
Yes.
I have evidence. Like, I have plenty backup. Plenty of them. So you are a shower? Akona.
Afoma, do you know you're playing a very dangerous game? A very dangerous one.
I cannot be playing dangerous when I know that I'm with evidence. Better evidence. I don't want to bring up this matter. I wanted to just leave it. Maybe a very good day like this. On a very cool day. I'll bring it up. But the evil spirit in you did not allow you to settle and see the future. So I had to just bring it. The moment you made my uncle chase my mother and I out of this main building, I had to just bring it out. So that everybody could tell me.
Afoma, is your mother aware that you're placing your hands on fire? Is she aware?
But if my mother is aware, do you think you'll still be here? With this evidence I have, you think you'll still be here? My mother will go straight to my uncle with that evidence show my uncle the evidence, and before you know it, we don't move. Take it easy. Take it easy to hold secret about somebody. Sister, don't play with me.
Fine. Fine. What do you want?
Good question.
See, you're just there. Clever boy. See, man. I never knew Aguzie had said until this thing worked out.
Hold it right there! If you move, you will come.
Hold it. Just hold it right there.
Your hands on your head.
Your hands.
Your hands on your head!
Your hands. Move this way. Huh?
I trusted you, Ogozu. I took you as a brother, but you decided to betray me. For how much? Do you even know how much I plan to settle you with? Take him away.
You all are under arrest. You have the right to remain silent, for whatever you say or do right here will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney, and if you don't have one, the state is willing to get you one. Now move it! Move it!
I was influenced. I was negatively in. Move! Move.
Babe, thank you so much for that video. Thank you, I really appreciate it.
It's okay. I told you. I got your back. And you got my back too, right?
Of course, I got your back. Thank you so much for this.
People are wicked. People are very wicked.
I just can't believe my own friend could be responsible for a thing like that.
It's too bad.
But it's alright. He's going to pay dearly for that.
I'm very, very glad you arrested him. Very, very glad. People are wicked. Don't trust anybody. Don't. Your head, how far? Does it still hurt?
I'm not feeling any pain again. No.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I think
Let me try and massage it for you.
No, just massage my back.
Your back? Do you want something else? Do you want something else?
Not now.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Can you resist me?
Please.
Going down? Baby.
I'm in love with you.
What? What are you doing here? That does not answer my question. I said, what are you doing here?
Calm down now. I'm not so. Calm down.
I thought I asked you to stay in the boys' quarters. So why are you here?
I asked her to stay.
I don't understand. You asked her to stay. Why?
Come on. She's a baby. So I felt pity for her. So let her stay, please.
You felt pity for her?
Yes, I know she's annoying, but please, just let her be.
But she was going to stay near with her mother. So why are you so bothered about her?
Babe, she's a child. Please.
That's life. I'm doing this thing because of her.
Sorry, did you also ask her to stay and then eat my food? Because I don't understand.
Baby, it's just food. Please. Just let her be. Okay?
Should I go? Let me go now.
No. Stay.
If you don't want me to stay, I can go. Hello. Do you have more juice so you can just give me? Let me add to this one.
Yeah. I'll get you another juice.
Okay.
You just let her be. Okay, please. Let me get the juice.
You see how this life is? The same person you told me was a bad person is out here advocating for you and your mother. Isn't it funny?
It's funny. And it's that same person We are fighting for forgiving me and my mother. And we are still coming up on your head. Isn't it funny? It's funny.
Mama, I swear to God, one day I would use my hand to squeeze out your mouth.
I'm honest, if man will agree with you, I'm sure.
Say that again.
I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry. If a man will agree with you. I never knew a woman can control a man. I never knew.
I have done what you asked me to do.
So I have one more thing.
What is it?
I wanted to allow my mother and I back in this main house.
Mama, that is not possible.
Okay. No problem. You know the consequences of saying no, right?
Oh.
There's no problem.
Wait.
You want to agree? Talk now, I don't have time. Like I don't have time. Be fast with me. Please. Talk.
Fine, I will see what I can do.
You'll see what you can do. Can you be fast with the scene? Can you see what you can do fast? Please be fast with it. My sister, I don't have time. I don't like people delaying me. Akuna. Look at her eyes, mommy, what her eyes. Manje, idiot. Close this door.
Hi. Oh, this guy won't see me finish. Let me be this. I lose God.
You still haven't told me. What did you do? How did you do it?
No. I threatened her.
You threatened her? With what?
Let's just say with something she doesn't want her boyfriend to know about.
Boyfriend? Something she doesn't want your uncle to know about? Hey, Afoma, I hope you have proof.
I don't have proof, but she doesn't know yet. No, now I don't have any proof, so let's just do it like that. That's why she pleaded with uncle to allow us back here.
Afoma, see, this thing is not good though. I hope this woman will not hurt us. She's troublesome.
Malika, she will not hurt us, don't worry. I have her here now, so she will not mess up again. She's here. Like this now, she used to obey everything I say.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Don't worry.
Okay, you say so.
Control.
Hey!
Why you no kill these small rats? When they wahala you anyhow, you supposed to buy this girl since.
I want to take by him. When your mama no say me no like her. If I buy the girl, they go to make by him now. I don't want a person come they insult me or come they want they drag me. I focus on waiting carry me go there.
See, nobody go come they insult you. You see that girl? You're not supposed to allow that small rat they intimidate you anyhow. She be change. She be small shit devil. Yes, nah. She don't know who you be. I bet she don't know. Now we grace find you way all you don't break it for your side. And she can't do anything. I'm gonna go buy her girl, Joe.
Today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, they go still know. Stanley go soon find out who I be. He go know my true identity. But before then, I don't move things.
Don't move things. See, and now you're supposed to pack all the money where they talk about. Now you're supposed to pack everything, they gather everything plenty. You're supposed to rabba your babe, they use money, they slap me.
Anna, you relax. Relax. Don't worry yourself. See money, I go throw money and give you. I go come out for this place.
Make I relax. Now so you dey talk. Make I relax. I go relax now. I no go still see the money.
You know they see my bobo. The guy owe money. You relax yourself. No, alright. Which kind of drink you?
You say you come out for this place.
I go come out you. You go change this drinking. I don't take time they drink this one again.
And make I change. Now waiting I get. Now waiting they your God they drink this one. Now waiting I get for ya.
Champagne.
You say
champagne.
Champagne. Wait, that big bottle.
I would say they drink for there. Champagne, red wine. Oh, again, my God. S or spade. S waiting.
S and spade, S
I
and spade.
don't know that one, oh, my sister. I don't know.
Ifebuchi, what was that? Why did you barge in like that?
I'm sorry, ma. I didn't know you were inside, ma.
What do you want?
I came to clean.
Okay. Later. Leave. I'll call you. Go. I said go.
Okay.
Hey, pick your stuffs. You get out. Okay. Barge into my room like that.
Thank you. Sorry, ma.
What is it? What is it? Where's my food?
It's not ready.
Why? So what are you doing here?
It's your motherland.
No.
Okay. Maybe I'll go and come back later.
Wait. What do you want to tell her? You can talk to me.
The thing is, I think that your uncle girlfriend is planning something evil.
Planning something evil like what?
When I went to her room, I heard her making call, and she was packing some paper like documents. So immediately she saw me because I entered the room. She just scattered everything on the floor.
You go dey believe Sandra. Say Sandra could give you money. You dey momo. You dey fuck up. You dey fuck up well.
Come on, man. Which kind of insult with that one now? Come, you dey insult me. You insult me, ni.
No vex. No vex. No vex for the insult, but reason am. Reason wetin I dey talk. Check am now.
See, make I tell you something, eh? I know wetin I dey do. I know. I know wetin I dey do.
You know wetin you dey do? You no know wetin you dey do, my sister. Because if you know wetin you dey do, like this so now, you suppose don voltage now. You suppose don voltage go meet that girl wey dey call Sandra, hold am for shirt, make she give you your own share. You dey here dey say you know wetin you dey do. Na lie.
How your man dey?
See, sir, my papa don suffer for inside cell. In fine boy don too reduce. As in, I dey see my papa when dey shed tears. And Sandra just abandon my guy like say he no be human being. I dey para.
But my girl, you don't suppose move on, Tete. You don't suppose move on. It be all this one where you just dey still dey remember person wey dey inside cell.
See, wetin dey my mind? I just dey plan, I just dey think the kind evil wey I go fit do Sandra make her mind dey. Make she know say my papa sef na human being. She no suppose abandon am like that.
But your boyfriend na criminal now. He thief.
And so, na him be the first thief wey you don see.
Thank God say you know you are.
Sandra wey be im sister wey we dey talk about, no be Anini she be. Two of us know for area say Sandra na small Anini she be. Na because say she dey use fruit business dey cover up. Me and you know the truth. This thief thing, whether na man thief or na woman thief, e dey their blood. So no dey use that one, no dey talk that one.
Abeg don't do. Just allow me make I consent. Make I know wetin I wan think like this at this moment. Just allow me think straight.
I bought this for you.
Wow. That's so thoughtful of you, eh? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is there a problem? No.
Are you here to ask me for money?
No. I cannot ask you for money. Don't worry, don't bother yourself. I'm going to save you. Like a good man, so I'll just save you. Enjoy. Enjoy life, don't worry.
What do you mean by that? Don't you save me?
Thank you so much for supplying me with all those information. Those information are very important. It really helped me.
Don't worry yourself now. You know, say you are my person. Right from time, the good old days for school. I know if I do anything for you. You know my baby, my girl.
Do you know that just this yesterday, our house help, the girl that used to do our maid, caught her searching my uncle's documents. Who knows what she wants to do with it?
You mean now?
I swear to God.
Ha! Now you dey talk like this. For Sandra to go dey search documents, it means say she get plan. No. Something go sup. And you need to stop her before you go hear story.
I won't take stop her. Because my uncle will not believe me. Will not even believe her, and she will deny it.
Hi. What I go do? No worry. See, I go find out what she dey up to, and I go play am. I go play you the tape. They hear me back. No worry yourself. Just relax. You dey hear? Oh, you go inside now.
Thank you.
you no go find me smart thing.
You know, Sam will carry anything. Not next time when you come back.
No worry now. No worry. Now you know.
I'm in love with you. One day back I go miss you.
Why your face be like that, man?
Mama, no joy, no joy, no joy.
See the shop now.
At the para.
Why the para?
At the vex. You know, say Sandra they plan to come up for that house. Sandra they make plans to come up for that house. She won't lose guard us.
You see? Which Sandra? The one why I know I be, the one why I don't know. Sandra wey give me, wey the time say she go give me money why I go save for her. Now they tell me say she want pack go where? Where she want go?
See this tape where they play you now from reliable source. You know say Sandra boyfriend, the baba where she they play now. The girl will be in this where they that house. Now my manners man from olden days for school days. You don't know that story now, but no worry. That girl now she tell me this thing say she see Sandra where Sandra they pack documents, they pack property. Sandra won't rock more for the house, she won't lose guard us.
I better not talk this way they talk again. No talk am again. You say I no believe this thing way they talk. You see Sandra why I know she no fit fuck me up for this life why I dey. I dey tell you the honest truth. She no fit mess with me. She know me nah. She know wetin I dey. She no fit mess up. She no fit do. No, not talk this thing again.
Me will be on no me.
You don't do.
I dey play you legit tape. You dey argue with me. See, Sandra get plans to come up for that house, and the plan no involve you.
You say?
One naira you no go see. You dey hear me so?
I know say you dey vex based on 1 and 2. Say she put your papa for inside. Say, but all this one way dey yarn, so I no believe am. The Sandra wey me I know na my party she be. She no fit fuck up. She be my G. Since I take hold my hand, she be my G. But that correct G now she be to me. She no fit just mess me up.
Now you want to play me Sandra? I be family member. Her brother na my bobo. Hey. So the blood they connected. As you say, you no believe me, no wahala. Me wey be on I no dey talk too much. Go find out. You dey hear me ba?
I know say you dey vex based on say they put your bobo for inside cell. But don't worry, my son no fit fuck me up. Na correct G she be. Na my manners man. My babe. Don't talk that thing again. I know say you dey para. No worry, I dey call. You say, Sandra.
Anna, you relax now. Relax. I dey house. Nothing dey happen. How I want to come out where you no go know now. I must give you updates. Anna, where I want go? Let me tell you say I go give you money make you keep. No be from that money I tell you say me self go settle you. I go settle myself. I go my way. Anna, I know they go anywhere now. I dey here. Anna, I dey now. I did for you. I did for you. I'll call you back. What's it be that one? Eh? I'm not telling you they knock if they enter here.
Sorry, your food is ready.
I tell you, say make you the knock. I no tell you.
Okay. I did.
I tell you, make you enter.
Sorry, ma. Your food is ready.
How do you make me food job? Wait himself, this girl. Get out.
Ma,
get out!
You know you have not eaten since...
If you get out. Come on for here now.
Okay. Sorry.
Which kind of person you be?
Yes.
Come on for here.
Okay. Sorry.
Shoo? Shoo, man, baby, this one.
I'm in love. I'm in love with you.
I've already told the gate man not to open the gate for her.
She doesn't look like somebody that wants to eat it.
Let her not eat it now. Let's just watch and see if she's going to eat it. If she does not eat it, the gate man already knows what to do.
Are you sure you are not going to involve your mother in this thing?
No, not yet. Just calm down.
I'm in love. I'm in love with you. One day back I gonna see you. I'm in love. Current sunshine. Now you go be. You be waiting, I price you. Now waiting, I price for my gate. I go get it. I'm in love. I'm in love. Current sunshine. Now you go be. You be waiting, I price you. I love waiting, I see. I am ready to do anything to keep my love. I'm in love. Current sunshine. I'm in love. Now you go be. You be waiting, I price you. I want to keep them all for myself. I am deeply in love because I'm in love. Current sunshine. Now you go be. You be waiting, I price you. No matter what they say or think about you, oh my little, you're my spec and I love you. Ebube Obio, mwani ligu mejumo, mwani shogwemo, mwani ligu mejumo. Obi mudeleju, mamuhorogi, oh my little, you're my love, my everything, baby boy. You're my one, everything, baby boy. They say love is blind. Can't you see I am blinded? They say love is blind. By your beauty and love. They say love is blind. Can't you see I am blinded? I am blind. By your beauty and love. One day back I gonna see you. I'm in love. I'm in love with you. One day back I gonna see you.
Stay there. Don't move.
My friend, what are my documents and ATM cards doing inside your bag?
Talk now. I have your information off air too. So talk. Start talking.
Yes, I was bringing them to you.
You were bringing them to me?
Yes, I was bringing them to you.
Please, who are you?
Sir, I'm your fiancé.
You are who I said I am. You are a criminal and a prostitute. Talk in details.
Listen, you need to start talking now before I take this up.
It's true. She's right. She's right. She's right.
She's right.
You know, I'm so disappointed at you. I'm so disappointed at you. I thought you were a human being. I thought I met my wife. I was lost enjoying the pleasures you were giving to me, not knowing you were not a human being. You are worse than my friend.
I swear, I will change. I can still be your wife. I will change.
You're going to pay for this. You are going to suffer for this. I'll lock you away for a long time for this. I promise you that. It's alright, I'll come. It's alright, I'll come.
Ma, please. Ma.
Don't touch me. If you touch me, if I don't punch your mouth there.
Ma, please.
I am deeply in love because I'm in love. Love, current consumption. Now you.
Don't worry. The police will take care of her. Where can she run to? She can't run too far.
Are you sure?
She can't run too far. Police will find her.
No matter what they say or think about you, Omalicha, you're my spec and I love you. Ebube Obio, Mwani iligu mejimo, Mwani shogwemo, Mwani iligu mejimo, Obi mubeluju, Mamuhorobi.
What's chasing you now? What happened?
Yeah,
Which one?
Ọlọ́pàá dey find me. Ọlọ́pàá dey find me.
How?
They find me.
Which one? Ọlọ́pàá dey find you. What did you do?
I think you know that small girl. That small rat they follow us there. The Bobo sister picking.
Yes, I know.
That girl na winch. That girl na winch. If you see what this girl do me, I don't know say this girl they follow up me, they follow my plan. I don't plan myself well. Say I go come up for the house. Carry the man things, now document everything. I can't chop food where they serve for me. As I chop the food, I don't wake up. I see the man, I see his sister, I see the winch hold my leg.
You hold your leg?
That small girl hold my leg. Hey, as I see my bag for ground, I know say they don't catch me. Hey, as the man say go call police, as I hear po, wait. Now I run. Wait, Anna.
And then they pursue your house. Go with your house. Wait. You call me for phone to tell me something. You tell me say you no go anywhere. What be that thing? You say you know the line. Now tell me now.
See, you don't understand. I won't surprise you. I know say if you see me, I will just do you like this surprise. But the girl don't spoil my plan.
You won't surprise you. You won't surprise me.
No, they go now.
Abi, you won't run with your fake empty promises. Where you promise me? Which kind of nonsense rubbish surprise is that one? No, tell me now. With your fake empty promises, them to say you won't surprise me. Now yourself you won't surprise. Don't be me you won't surprise.
No, Ọlọ́pàá fit dey come.
Ọlọ́pàá fit dey come. Make they come carry you. Now make them bother you.
They go carry me and you. Now you teach.
Carry you and who go kill you for that place. Come, as you don't be like this now. As everything don't be like this, I no wan ever see you for that ghetto. You dey hear me so? Sandra, you dey hear me so? Make today be the first and last when you go cross this your two twisted leg for that ghetto. I no wan ever see you. As you don't be like this, now make you pack your slippers. Oh yeah, the japa. They come out for here. You dey come for which person house? You dey say something they do you. They walk you for head.
And I don't do like that.
Now you be the Judas Iscariot. Now you betray Jesus. Now you betray Jesus. I don't want to see you for here again. Oh yeah, they come out for here. One leg before I go. Go for here now. Judas Iscariot. Now you betray Jesus. Yeah. Now you betray Jesus. You know how she be. Wicked girl. You know your nonsense fake promise. So who go kill you, your papa for that place? If they born you across that ghetto, make you know say my name na Anna. I go cut down your two left leg. It's wrong. I will say rubbish. Carry my money. What? To tell me say you want surprise. How who you go surprise for that place? It's yours.
You know I'm so ashamed of myself. I'm telling you, I'm so ashamed of myself. Once again, I allowed a stranger come in between me and my family members. Eh? Why would I do a thing like that? But all the same, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry for all the wrongs. And I promise you that this will never repeat itself again.
It's okay, but do you now see why I was so worried about you making the right choice? Because I know for an already made man like you, it's not easy to get a good partner. Anyway, all thanks to our former here for her wisdom and bravery. Because without her here, we wouldn't have been able to catch up with that criminal.
Foma, thank you very much. Your wisdom is like that of an old woman. Eh? And your bravery is out of this world. Thank you so much for what you did for me. Thank you for saving my life. And I promise you that I'm willing and ready to do anything for you in this life. Whatever it takes to make you happy, I am ready to do that. Huh?
Okay, but you have already done the test too by paying my school fees and taking care of me. So that one's already enough.
No, you don't understand. I am ready to do more. As a matter of fact, I am even planning to send you abroad to go study. Because you are very wise and I'm sure you excel there. Yeah? You will.
Yes, I will. I will. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Before I would like to help Mama achieve her plans now. I want to help her get to a wife with good like that.
Hey, Afoma. Hey, what do you know about getting a wife?
Mama, even if I don't know anything about getting a wife, at least I know a good woman when I see one. See, Mama, if not for Ife Bucho, do you think I would have known that evil lady's plan? Do you think? I wouldn't have known her intentions. Even when brother left her, she was supposed to at least team up with that evil girl to get back to brother, but she didn't do it. Rather, she came to me to expose her intentions. I mean, that should tell you that she's already a good wife, a wife material. See, brother, even though she's not up to your standard, yes, but I still think you can, with your money, you can raise her to your standard. That's what I feel.
I really don't know how this may sound, but
let me just help you say, since you don't know how to say.
Allow him to talk. You're not his spokesperson.
Sister, I think at this point you can go ahead and help me say it.
Okay, so what he's trying to say is that he's really, really sorry for the way he has been disregarding me in this house. Then he wants to also appreciate you for sticking around in humility, serving him as a maid. So then again, he also wants to know how,
I think I'll take it up from there. Yes. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry for the way I treated you in the past. Okay? I'm truly sorry.
It's okay. I understand.
No. You don't understand. You see, the thing is, I didn't give us the chance to get to know each other better. Okay, that's why I'm saying I'm sorry.
Okay, it's okay, sir. Thank you.
Listen. What I'm trying to say is, I want to make things better. I want to be a better man. All right, I want you to give me a chance into your life.
Leslie, before you to
Mingo.
Yes.
Bingo.
Yes, mingo.
Bond. Let's bond. Yes. Never. Will you accept me into your life?
Yes, I accept.
I have to go. Yeah, Mama, I have to go before you. I have to go.
Let's give those clips.
I'm in love, current consumption. Now you go be.
Hold it right there.
You are
True love is harder. Finding perfect one. True love is harder. Finding true love is harder. Finding true love is harder. For you to get the full volume of joy, you must have someone to divide it with. Great chance may not happen right away, but with effort, even the difficulty may become easy, my dear. Oh yeah. Ikebolo lover. Don't be blind, cause pretenders not them. Ikebolo lover. Don't be blind, cause pretenders not them. Ikebolo lover. Don't be blind, cause pretenders not them. Ikebolo lover. Don't be blind, cause pretenders not them. They do the worst. Don't forget that you will never find the right person if you can never let go the wrong ones around you. Cause good people are